Obus? Obus? Okay, no. It just freezes a little when you start stream. Okay, cool. Cool. Anyway, hi. Welcome. I'm a little late because dinner. Food came a bit late, so I had to eat a bit late. So now I have to stream a bit late. It's all just a late chain. Very much like the chain plane, the thing we're developing today. So I finally fixed all the issues I had from last. Oh my god, this is distracting me so much. How do I make so I don't see my preview on the stream manager? It is so distracting. Okay, did I successfully? Okay. Did I send message? Did I get? Oh my god, yes! Yes, it's so beautiful. I forgot to update the things. Oh, it says episode 2. Oh, of course I forgot to do that. Of course I forgot to do that. I need to make that a to-do. That's something I have to do. Something I have to do is make that a to-do. Okay. Alright. I was game kept for 3 seconds. What does that mean? What does that mean? How so? Did Twitch not let you in? Or was there a delay? Twitch gave me an ad for Twitch Turbo. Oh. Dang, well, that's what you get for Twitch Turboing. Oh yeah, the hats haven't been fixed, like, at all. Okay, wait a second. There might be an easy fix for hats. Hold on. Redeem handler. Do I have a list of all the redeems? No. So how does redeem handler work? It says that you didn't redeem it in my logs. So then is it just still not registering that I don't know. Anyway, here's your hat. Hold on. You gotta remind me to do this, fix this thing. That should have been an easy fix. I had time today. Today I was super free. I just kind of lazed around. Oh no. I could have fixed the first redeem. That could have been my new change for the stream. A shame. A shame. A shaman. Well, I will accept your first. I had like no time today, Lamau. You stole all my time and wasted it. Boop. Greetings, 9. How's it going? Okay, listen. Last stream was a total garbage fest. Everything kept breaking, but off stream I finally got things working. Now, when I leave and come back, things don't break. Like, there was this thing where if I modified code in the editor and saved, that would trigger a reload of the GD extension, and that would crash this, and it was crazy. Oh shit! Woo! Welcome to the 5 stream streak club, Photogenic. Holy cow! You might be my first 5 stream streaker. Something nudity. Ha 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 ha. Liar? Am I a liar? Let me think. Did someone 5 stream streak already? I've seen people 3 stream streak. You've hit 5 before? You've hit 5, but did you do the... I feel like the thing where it gives you a pop-up and a message that you got a stream streak didn't get added until after I took my break, or my hiatus, as they call it in fancy terms. So you're the first person to ever redeem and get the Twitch message that says, watch streak reached 5 stream streak. At least that's what I think. You can prove me wrong. Huh, that means we're old? It was last year! They added that feature, like, this year, or, like, late 2025, at least. Because we've seen multiple features added to Twitch. Yeah, I mean, I feel like just Twitch is good at adding stuff. I respect that about the platform. A platform that keeps it alive through frequent and new updates and such. The stream streak is a good one, though. I like that. It makes you feel like shit when you miss a streak on someone you like. But in return, others feel crappy when they miss my streams. So now I reap the benefits as the streamer from this point forward. Keeps it alive. The bleeding budget totally helps there. Yeah, I'm sure Twitch will figure it out eventually. Anywho, I need to paint my platforms. I said I was going to do that last stream, but of course last stream was a shit show. So now that it's not a shit show, we can paint some more. Right now, knitting another bag? Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. I like the bags a lot. They're very, I don't know, helpful, I guess. I have like a collection of nice bags. What I really want is like a really colorful, crazy one. Like psychedelic color rainbow shit, you know? Give me that. Knit me that. I should probably learn how to knit myself. I know there's yarn that has that effect. It's just hard. It's just hard and time consuming, and I do not have the focus to do something like that. I could never. I need new challenges that make me break down at every moment of my life and make me rethink how I exist. I should start using 2 emojis at the same time so they don't get squished. Oh my god, I forgot about the emoji thing. Yeah. Okay, next stream tomorrow. I'll have first fixed, and I'll have the emojis fixed. That's like a simple thing to do. I keep setting my goals to Jukebox, but Jukebox is hard as shit. So fuck Jukebox. Fix emojis, fix first. No, you will. I will. But you. So if you DM me and I will remember. But you have to DM me like, let me think. After stream, and then like 12 hours after stream, and then I'll definitely Okay, no. Here's what I'll do. I'll make a reminder right now on my phone to do this. Fix, first, redeem, and fix emojis. And then put that for tomorrow at, like, you know, I guess like 3. And then done. Save. There we go. That should be plenty of time. 3? That gives me what? 4, 5, 6, 7? That gives me like 4 hours about to fix that before next stream. Boom, boom. Oh, you're in ads. Get fucking added. Okay. Well, all these motherfuckers are in ads. Let's get something done. Okay. UV unwrapping. Well, there's a couple things I want to do. I need to UV unwrap textures, but I also want to do some reworking to help make the system for chain planes more modular. So instead of having this hard-coded system right here, where you... I guess it's in here, right? Where is it? Is it in single? Yeah, right now I have it hard-coded that you get density, but I think density should be like a module that exists on the chain plane. Hello, Izera! How's it going? Is everyone's goober still the same? Or have I not been saving them? Oh my god, that's right! I was going to add that as a thing! The saving. Save Goobler data during streams. Okay. Free from ads on. Welcome back, Photogenic. I'm still not Chaos Emerald Head. Oh my god, you're right. You're all right. Okay. Wait, I can't set the 3. This is 24-hour time. Ooh, I need to set 15 o'clock, not 16 o'clock. Set time. I almost got sabotaged. If I didn't go back into reminders to do the second reminder for saving data and also fixing your Emerald Head 9, then I wouldn't have done the thing. I wouldn't have been able to go here and fix the reminder for this. Okay, here we go. 15. Boom. Easy clap. What did I eat? You know, like the thing where it's like meat in a bell pepper? I ate that. It was pretty good. I like the meat a lot. I didn't like the bell pepper a lot. It's too vegetable-y. I don't want vegetables in my meat. I just want meat. Give me the meat. Stuffed bell peppers. They're pretty good. I kid. I understand the bell pepper adds balance and a handle to crush the fucking entree, in your palm, so you can go like that. You better have put cheese in there too. I don't remember. I think I did. It's very likely there was cheese in there. It makes it so much fun. Yes, it does. does indeed. But yeah. So density. So instead of having, so here's the issue, right? Do I make it so the modules are on the links, or are they on the whole chain plane? I think obviously it needs to be on the whole chain plane, but then you can't configure density per each link unless there's a system that lets you add parameters to the links. Is that possible? Is that doable? Possibly, because I could make an inspector plugin that checks the state, the module of the chain plane, and uses that to add parameters to the links. I think that is possible. How would you store that? I mean, like metadata, maybe? That seems kind of janky, but it could work. And also I need to add new rotations. Oh my god, I need to write it to do. Let me know if music's too loud, by the way. This one's like louder than the last, so I always get anxious. But you know, I'm always anxious, and I go back to stream, and I go to the VOD, and it's never as bad as I think. It's always way quieter, so maybe I shouldn't care that much. I don't know. Who knows? What do I have it on right now? This is like... It's not going to show me. Oh, negative 11. Yeah, that's okay. Maybe we could, like, do negative 11. Perfect. It was negative 11.9, and now it's just negative 11, which is bigger, despite your instincts saying it's smaller, because it's a negative number. Okay. Modular effects for chain plane. Rotating up, and then what? There was one more. I already forgot what it was. What was it? Can someone tell me? Rotating up, and then... Oh my god, what was it? Oh, UV unwrapping. Look at the whole name of the stream last time. UV unwrapping. Okay. Next, I think I can reorganize these without too much chaos. Let's find out. And then... So here's the other thing. It's like, I have this... I'm going to have 3 arguments now for rotation. So would it make more sense to just split these into... Or not split them, but join them together into one vector 3. That would make sense, but it'd be a lot less readable. Actually, maybe not, though. Because I know Z is forward. And so I know that you can reliably say Z is going to be some rotation around forward. Y will always be a rotation around the up vector, and X will always be a rotation around the X vector, which is sideways. So that would make sense. Okay. Alright, well, first, before we do that, let's just add the rotation. Okay, so turn, twist, and what would this be? So you turn like this. You twist like this. And so I feel like for this, you would what? Steep? You would become steep. You'd become steepified. Flatten? What's the opposite of flatten? Okay, well, let's find out. Opposite of flatten. Inflate? You wouldn't call it inflate, though. Roughen? Iron? Opposite? Oh, no, that's the only opposite there is. Come on, give me more antonyms. Roughen, uneven, coarsen, crumble, harden, scratch. I feel like tilt. Have I used tilt? I haven't used tilt. But tilt seems too generic, but whatever. This is temporary. It doesn't matter. Tilt. And then I have to give this to all the other ones now. So, link 1. Don't I generate a link 1 here? Where is it? Here it is. Link 1. Let's reorganize. This goes here. Self.tilt goes here. And then that's going to be here. Go here. Density goes below. Tilt goes here. Woo! And then does link 2 have tilt? No. So that's good. Because that means all we have to do is handle tilt here and we're done. So I think it's the same thing as before. if this is not equal to 0, then we're going to rotate, instead of around up and forward, we're going to rotate around the side. Right? Or is that right? Okay. Boom. And now recompile. And so now I can do like a loop-de-loop. Presumably. Hypothetically, loop-de-looping is now possible. Let's find out. So do that, do that. Where's my thing? What the fuck? Wait a second. Where's my, isn't there supposed to be an editor right here? Is it over here? Oh, that's not good. Why isn't that working? Izera, just curious, by the way, what inspired you to make your cursor an elongated arm? There's not really one particular thing. I don't know, it's like kind of like a cartoony thing that can just happen. Limbs extending temporarily to point at things. I just thought it was silly. I can't really pinpoint a single... Well, I guess I could. My original character, I just wanted to give them something distinct. Back when they were more like humanoid and generic. And I thought, what would be kind of cool is if they're like kind of like a creepy, I don't know, like a... What's the word? A cryptid of some sort. I was thinking maybe like kind of based off the Flatwoods monster, maybe with some tentacles or something. But what the creepy thing would be like long arms, kind of like a Slender Man, but like really, really long arms that like droop onto the floor. And then I thought that'd be so fun. And then also they'd be interesting to look at because you would point at the screen and they would react to my mouse. I kind of don't have that because right now it's just a perfect straight line from shoulder to mouse. So they don't droop and wobble and have physics like I wanted it to. But yeah, that was the idea. Just to make the character more distinct, even though now my character is just a red creature that I threw together in like an hour. Yeah. Yeah. So I guess I'd say Slender Man. That is my final answer. You know, it took me like 3 streams to realize your face is on the TV. Well, actually, I've only had my face on the TV for the past like 2 or 3 streams. For like the first 4 that I've done in this session with my new schedule, I had the TV turned off. So that might be why you didn't notice. And also, yeah, it is very small. That's another to-do I have to do is have a thing where if I stop moving, the camera zooms in on my face. And then it'll have like a better like cam. Which would add some dynamicness to the stream interface. Sir, it's been 50 minutes and you haven't taken a sippy sip. What are you talking about? I just drank this whole water bottle on stream. You watched me do it. I guess you didn't because you can't see me do anything. It's empty. There's like a little tiny bit left. Can't you see? If I ever pause talking, it's because I am taking a fat chug out of a water bottle. But thank you, Photogenic. Wendell add a hydrate emote, or a hydrate redeem just for you. But it's gonna be kind of expensive because I don't want to hydrate. You can't make me. You can't make me. What's happening? I mean, this should... Oh, that's right. My shit's fucked. Okay, I need to go look at my inspector. Find in folder. Where's my editor inspector? It's in here. It's allocated. It's added. So what's the problem? Is this not being called? Oh, goodness. Don't worry. I have enough in the bank. I hate it. I hate it. Keep your points to yourself. If I refresh this, oh, there it is. Okay, cool. I don't know why that wasn't working before. Maybe I should restart to verify that that's going to work in the future. If it's a bug, I'd like to know sooner rather than later. So I click this. Oh, you know what it is? Whenever it probably disables somehow, and then I have to. Well, it seems fine now. Okay, here's the real test. If I leave, trigger a reload, and come back, it's still there. Oh, it just stays there, though. Oh, that's not good. Why is it still there? Go away, asshole. Oh, it's because the connection's fucked. It's called 34.2k? That's a lot of points. I need to add like big redeems. Moonwood Gaming has one where if you do 10k, you get to be a part of the credits. I need to add one of those, but like 30k, so I can drain you of all your points. Funk you. Also, noun for dynamic is dynamic. I was looking it up. X said, what is? Okay, let's watch the clip. Oh! Was I? Oh, I was. wait, hold on. Okay, we're watching Moonwood right now, with random people because this is my. Oh god, I can't turn up the volume. Wait, why is it so quiet? Oh my god, why is it so quiet? Okay, I need to turn off the music, and then.
Yeah, I think that's the end of the stream. I think Cubate menu is very mildly valid.
What am I looking for? Wait, what did someone say in chat? The incubate menu is very mildly oh! Phallic. It is. It kind of is. Okay. Wait. Oh, God. Who joined? Pawn. What's up? We watching some dev while watching some random dev? You bet. You freaking bet. That's Moonwood. You should go follow Moonwood. Let's give a shout out to Moonwood. Actually, let's not give a shout out to Moonwood. Moonwood should be streaming later today, though. Hopefully, I streamed long enough so we can then raid Moonwood, and then you'll know the hype. Perhaps. Can't tell what's going on here. You got. I think I already am. Oh, that's fair. Hell yeah. Yeah. That makes sense. What's happening photogenic is someone said the UI on the left side of the screen was phallic, and that's what caused the existential crisis. You can even see my chats in there. I don't know. I can't believe I forgot that. Okay. Hold on. We're getting off topic. Look, I'm getting fucked. I almost said anally fucked, but I just said it, so I don't know why I stopped myself. I'm getting completely fucked by the fact that signals are reset when you reload the GD extension. I need to fix that first. And that's because we're connecting to something in the code that tells us when I change selection on these nodes in the editor, which I think is called editor selections. Let's go find that. Editor selection. No, editor selector. Okay, let's just search up editor. Well, here's what I should be looking up is connect, because I rarely use signals. Okay, no. Button. What the hell? Where's the... Was it in the old library, in the old editor code, and I just removed it? No way, right? No way I would just remove it like that. Remove something so vital and then forget. Oh, please don't tell me I have to rewrite that code. No, it'd have to be in here. It would definitely be in the Gizmo plugin, because this is where I create the inspector. So, you'd create the inspector, set up connections. Here it is, editor interface, get selection. Oh, it's because it'll connect other, not connect. Okay, what are you guys saying? If I'm not following, chances are it's secretly me. Pointed out that his incubator menu looks like balls. Me when I forget a core feature is there and I delete the whole file somehow. No. It's fine, guys. It's right here. This is the connection to the get selection manager, and then that's calls this. So I need to call setup connections again once the thing is reloaded. So I think I was under the impression that the whole thing got reset, but I guess not. So let's go to plugin. Let's go to, I think I just do, no, I have to do an impl. An impl of what you call it. Of ref counted. Oh, crap. Ref counted? That means I can't use the things. I have to also dip into GD script again. Okay, whatever. In before deleting system 32. One day, Ozera. Isn't that a recursive function call then? No. It's fine. It's called from Godot. And so it's going to call once the GD extension reloads, which apparently can happen without restarting the plugin, which actually make... Oh my god, is that why I had issues? Because Godot Rust is built in, has a built-in system that reloads the editor plugin when reloading the GD extension. But that's not actually what I want. I actually don't want that. I just want it to reload the active objects. That makes so much sense. I really need to make a PR for that or something, because it's stupid that that's the default behavior. But here I want to do on extension reloaded. And then here I can do mute self, and then we can do if let some, what is this? Chain plane inspector plugin equals self dot chas mute chain plane inspector plugin. What was it? Bind, mute, setup connections. That might not be public, though. I might have to go here. Where is it? Wait, what all my code? Wait, what the hell? What is this? I think that's a search. Oh, wait, there's so many emotes. Funky. That's why Godot was dying so much the last couple streams. Got another set of emotes. Oh, I love them. These are inspirational. I see so many emotes where I'm like, why didn't I think of that? Why didn't I think of that? Slams table. Screams. Oh, I forgot to replay music. Okay, we just been on silent air. All right. Wait, one of them kind of looks like a goober at the end. Oh, I see. Maybe I should make more self-centered emotes. Like, it all should be of my face. And then we have a couple goober ones. I guess they're gooblers now. What am I looking... What? Why is that cat eating Cheez-Its? Or not Cheez-Its, Cheetos? Oh, it's so gross. Its face is covered. Generous gift from a massive 300 sub gifter. Oh my god. You need to follow in their footsteps, Photogenic. It's now your time to pass on the generosity and gift me 300 subs. And then by that, I don't mean you gift my chat 300 subs. I mean you give me specifically 300 subs to 300 random people. If I do not get this within 3 days, I will find you and I will touch you. Okay. Setup what? This is private. Okay. But great. Interesting. Is this not the right thing? No, I'm looking for the inspector. No, I'm not looking for the inspector plugin. I want this. Chain plane gizmo. Ah, crap. Okay. Setup connections. Okay, so now if I call this from GD script, which I can't do until I rebuild first, but I can start working on this before that finishes. So we're going here. Function, notification, if what equals, is this a note? Notification, GD, or just extension? Here it is, extension reloaded. Rust plugin dot on extension reloaded, except that doesn't exist for some reason. Oh, just delete my whole code, why don't you? That was weird that happened, right? Like that, like everyone just saw that like my code just disappeared when that reloaded. Was that just me? Oh my god, that's so many emotes. Apparently, that fat cat destroying a bag of Cheetos is a real photo out there on the internet. It's me. I'm the cat. I bet we can find it. Fat cat eating Cheetos. Oh my god, it is. Oh, it's kind of disgusting. I hate it. Oh man, look at this dude. Oh, that's like a filtered one. Here's the original. How did you get the? Oh, not okay. And I was asked to animate it, so that was my interpretation. I see. Interesting. Oh wait, let's test if this works. How do I test if this works? I go in here, I reload the project, and now everything should be okay. Because when I click this, it'll pop this up. When I leave, it'll not pop it up. Okay, and now if I go in here and reload the extension, the connection will still break because everything is suffering and everything is pain. Why? Well, here's why. Well, okay. We're getting back into it. We're getting back into impossible to fix things territory. I just want to make a feature. I just want things to work. How did I miss this when I was fixing other things? I'll be back when I need to scrub my eyes with bleach. I need to, yeah, me too. I don't know what it is, but like the texture of like Cheeto dust or like just any type of cheesy snack dust on face or like on fingers. I was like, oh, I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. And the worst is when you're eating like a bag of Doritos and you try so hard not to get the Cheeto dust on all your, or like the, you know, the Dorito dust on any but 2 of your fingers. And somehow, some fucking way, you still end up getting like dust all over your whole hand. And it's so gross. And you have to immediately wash it. Unless you're on a bus or something. In which case, you're probably just better off. You're just better off not doing that. Just use chopsticks, lol. No. It's not that simple. First of all, you can't use chopsticks. They're really uncomfortable to use. The end. I don't know how to use chopsticks. There, I'll admit it. I'll say it. Fine. It hurts. It hurts. I can't use chopsticks properly. Are we gonna do it like this? Use a fork. You can't pick up a chip with a fork. It just becomes more chips. And then you're even a bigger issue. It's just like a slime. Let's reload and try again. Must be left-handed. I don't know how that solves anything either. I've literally done both. I guess you could put the chip in between the fork prongs. My 2 fingers are usually successful, and I get super caked with it on the fingertips. Oh, don't make me think about that. I hate it. I hate it. Thank you. Okay, let's reload and see what happens. It didn't get called, so it's an issue here. Oh, you know what? Print. How? Well, if I do that, then it's gonna keep printing. Process. So I don't think it's gonna help me. I hit reload, right? Okay, so it keeps printed all this. Now if I leave and come back, it printed 1004. Is that what this is? No, that's 2. That's fucking 2. What? Where is this? This is object? Object has 3 notifications. Apparently. Which are post initialize, pre-delete, and extension reloaded. Which kind of makes sense. Those notifications are sent only for extension classes and derived. So does that mean I don't get this in GD script? Okay. Hold on, I gotta, goddamn chat. My 2 fingers are just successful, and I get super caked. Yeah, ew, because I'm a grassless gamer, and I don't want to wash Cheeto dust off my hands. Yeah, but it's so good. Not Cheetos. Cheetos are disgusting. I hate all puffed snacks. Puffed corn snacks, I think they are. The texture is just off, and it just feels like you're eating nothing. But Doritos, though. Oh, Doritos. Amazing. I mean, I struggle with chopsticks because I'm left-handed. I guess it's easier to hold if you're right-handed for some reason. I don't think it matters. They're sticks. It's all the same stickiness. It's just 2 sticks. I love using chopsticks unnecessarily. I've seen things where you can put like a chopstick like on your fingers, like snack, utensils, chopstick rings. I don't know how to describe this. Images. Yeah, these. Like, I've always kind of wanted one of these. Do. But yeah. Also, my left hand is just built different. BRB, usually right-handed. I've wiped Cheeto dust on the grass before. Just use toothpicks. You can't, okay, I guess for Cheetos, you can use toothpicks. But you can't penetrate a Dorito with a toothpick. So there. What do you think of that? Okay, hold on. We gotta lock in for a second. So this is 2. And then... Who said anything about penetrate? You just balance a Dorito on your toothpick. Making a wall. Yes. Oh my god, I'm fat fingering. No, I got your message. It's okay. Yes, we're gonna make walls by building like a procedural wall around the chain plane, hopefully. But I first have to fix this. So apparently, actually, I did this all for nothing because ref counted does receive the object signals. So I could just do it in the Rust. Impl I ref counted for this and then just function on notification. If what equals object notification, can I, there it is, extension reloaded. I run the code I want to run, which is this. So, freaking, what the hell? That's all I need to do. And then I can get rid of this, and then recompile this, and everything will work. And our issues will be done, and it'll be great. Found the diamond in the Rust. I just read the documentation, honestly. Why don't you make the wall while you make the path? That's photogenic. That's what we're doing. That's the point. That's exactly what we're gonna do. But this is a level tool development stream, so you know it's, I don't know, I have to title it something. I want like walls around it, and then it'll be like a cave, and it'll all be automated and beautiful. And why didn't this compile? Oh, I need to. Okay, that's fair. I knew that. Actually, I knew that. Welcome back, Izera. You did not miss much. Oh, because those ads are starting, though, which is a good opportunity for me to go get another drink. Because I do thirst. I do crave the thirst. What's ironic about your insistence on me consuming hydration products of photogenic is I am just a naturally thirsty motherfucker who is constantly drinking water anyway. Oh, let's see if this worked, by the way. Wait, no, did I reload? Hold on, I need to reload. See, there's a good chance this still might not work, and I'm gonna cry. What pisses me off is it was working before. See? It stopped working. Oh my god. Please, come on. There is no excuse for this not to be working. Is it not getting notifications? Is it not a tool object? What the fuck? Oh my god. Wait, can you separate the pathing from the wall if you have to like make a large block in the way? I think I can't. God, this song is a song. I'll wait for ads to end. So while that's happening, let me go get the drink. Oh, there's something in my way. No. Okay. I have disappeared, and yet I have returned. What do you call me? But a function. I'm a function the way I return. Okay. Let me crush this water bottle. Back into the recycling you go. Unto where you become another water bottle for me. Why the fuck doesn't this work? I am so mad. What the hell? What the fuck? What the shit? What the duck? Can this please just work, please? Oh my god. Why did the editor plugin work? Okay, I need to look this up. There, Godot extension reloaded, notification not sending. Okay, what's this? You know what I need to do? Hold on. Okay. So, get notified when a hot reload happens. Oh my god, welcome, KBPWNZU. Oh my god, you're my 150th follower. Hooray! Thank you for joining the Goobler gang. Rise up. I'm a function the way I break randomly and then fix myself. I wish functions would fix themselves. Your functions fix themselves? I've never had a function that didn't just immediately stay broken forever. And ever. And ever. Notification. No, not post initialized. I'm talking about the one that I'm doing. Has no one ever in the universe history of all time ever used the extension reloaded notification? Come on. Do-do-do-do. 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 Okay, well, this is useless. Next question. Do I put it in? Well, if it's being regenerated... Okay, here's what I need to do. I know that this isn't being reloaded because this is from the GD script plugin. So I think I just need to check for this notification. Well, I'll check here. I'll check what I'm getting here. So Godot print what? And will this display better? Because Rust is way better than GD script. Yes, it will. See, okay, you want to know a reason why I use Rust over GD script? When I printed the what from wait, it just said right there, extension reloaded. It literally just proved to me that it reloaded the extension when I just added this code. See? Extension reloaded. So it should be connected. Right? Right? Why would this not be connected? Is this not available somehow? Godot print selection connected. And then if I do this, will that show? Go here? Oh my god, it doesn't run. Wait, why? Does get selection return null? Why would it do that to me? Why would it do that to me? Can I repress an encore of the previous song? Okay, fine. I think you like the extended remixes of all these songs, and those are good for like background music. Oh, you want to hate Pawn? Okay. I hate you, Pawn. I hate the way you en passant, motherfuckers. How many times if I just wanted to move one of my pawns up twice, and then my enemy pawn's sitting there, smug as hell, thinking like, yeah, come over, I'm gonna do a ghost kill. I'm gonna walk past you diagonally and end your whole existence. For what? For what? Just as a meta, as fucking bouncing, like patch 1.2 dumped in like the 1400s because chess was too OP when they added 2 moves in the first place. Thank you. What am I gonna call you? KBPW? On-screen celebration. Whoa! Wait, that's a bits redeem. Thank you for the bits, KP. I appreciate it. Teleports behind you. Nothing personal, kid. That's literally what en passant is. That is 100% what en passant is. And the worst is when you're playing chess online with some rando and you're shit tier, because I'm like a shit tier chess player, and you try to bait them to en passant, and they don't even do it. They don't even do it even when it would give them an advantage. They don't want to see the fun of the en passant. And it's like, I wish I had someone who would hand me free en passants, but no. No one wants to passant. It's like piss off if you're not gonna piss on. Anyway, this is bullshit. This isn't working. What the hell? Okay, will this print? Nope. Will this print though? Yes. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. New move. You can do it to the queen. Can you? You can't en passant a queen. No. What do you? Oh, yeah. I guess you mean piss on. Okay. All right. Hilarious. Thank you for your contribution. What do you mean photogenic? Go on. You can't new move pissant. Just curious. Do you also have a raging ADHD? I've never been diagnosed with ADHD, so I'll have to say no. I'm sorry to say. I'm sorry to say. My lawyer says I cannot legally state one way or the other. But it certainly feels that way, right? Save, extension reloaded, nothing else. Wait, what? It's as if this isn't even running, implying that the Gizmo plugin is none. The way worse outcome. I didn't even consider this outcome. But that would imply that this is in the midst of being, like, the multiple things. What does that mean? What is happening? I mean, if you function without meds, what's the point? Oh, I don't photogenic. I've been making a game for 10 years, and I've never been able to focus on just one. Oh, it's so much work. You think I stream because I can do this normally? No, I stream to hold myself accountable, because otherwise I don't get 4 hours of work done on anything I do. But I mean, yeah, everything's great. Everything's good. We're having a good time. She is a body double. Yeah, and when I get like more active, I want to like do like a whole like body double in Discord with people and set up a community that way. Oh, it's gonna be so hype. It's gonna be so fucking cool. It's too bad Chain Plane Gizmo is null for some reason. What an asshole, am I right? Could I print? I gotta like put so many print statements down to figure out what the hell's going on. So exit tree. And so how the hell is exit tree running? Like, am I doing something asynchronous? There's no reason why on notification is running in between these. It could, but if these are being called anyway, then how the hell is the thing even staying there? Project, reload current project. You should hire a programming intern. I can't hire anyone to program for me because everyone sucks except me. That's the honest truth. Like, I have so many friends that are like, hey, I can help program your game. And I'm like, but like, you're not as good as me. That's a fucked up thing to say, but it's true. It's like, maybe do art, maybe do music. I get a lot of offers for music, but I'm not at a point where I never get to the point in a game where I'm ready to put music in it yet. And so I'm always like, damn. Also, here's another reason why I think you have ADHD. You can hold my attention with a YouTube tutorial video. You know how hard that is to do? That is crazy. I completely forgot that those are totally what those videos are like. The fact that people watch those tutorial videos to this day irks me so weird because I cannot look at them. I cannot watch them. They make me cringe so hard. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Can I have your attention in a Fey way? You're not as good as me, says the amazing. And I suck. And I don't know. Is this true? Is this true? People just aren't. Ugh. No. I work with a lot of random programmers that are missing a lot of game programming concepts, and you get so many god scripts. Well, it's just a matter of experience, right? Like, no hate on anyone, but like there's people who love programming and work on open source stuff every day from the second they learn programming, and then there's people who don't have the experience, and it's kind of obvious because they don't have the varieties of interests and shenanigans that get them intrigued and learn things naturally over time. I mean, I'm sure there's things I'm not good at, but it's like, man, all my games are written with weird-ass programming languages and do weird-ass structures, and things are handled a certain way. I manually program all my animations with a level of polish unseen by immortal eyes. You suck on the mannerisms of the God of programming because you got the inspiration and talent. Thank you. I appreciate the compliments. Alas, I'm not that good. Just everyone else sucks so much, you know? It's just everyone else that's mid. And then I'm just slightly less mid. You programming the animations? I've been thinking of trying that. It's just how everything ends up being done. I'm trying to get better at deciding when to use more standard animator tools for things, and I'm trying to get good at that. Like, over the past year, I've been really good at animating 3D stuff with Blender. Like, all the Gooblers down here, all their animations are written with Blender. Or, not written, but, like, done with Blender. And I've been really good at doing stuff like that. And so I'm really happy with my progress. And instead of hard-coding a lot of the animation tree stuff in code, I've begun using... Here, let me pull over my Twitch interface. I've used animation trees instead of hard coding it. So if you go to Goobler 3D, where are you? No, this is still. See, here it is. I'm an animation tree. I have animations. I have a whole tree of everything, and I've been doing good. But when I say, God, this song is so loud. Is it loud for y'all too? Oh well, it's fine. It's fine. So when I say I hard code animations, I mean stuff that has to be done somewhat procedurally, which is going to be stuff like the intro animation for this Twitch stream. So I don't know if I have the code for it, but for example, can I go to 2D? This animation right here where the thing comes in and it says blah blah blah, join the fray. That is all done in code. Because, how else am I gonna do it? The animation player doesn't have the plethora of easing curves that my libraries in Godot do. And so I can sort of express myself in a way better way. Stuff like, this effect. This effect is all programming. So could you call this also animation programming, I guess? Because it's just, it's like a noise texture that's shifted in the shader. I'm gonna make a short on this once I start doing shorts again. What? How much is left in the bottle, sir? Gotta make sure you drink 1 liter per hour. Okay, hold on, I can't see myself right now. But I put a flavor packet in this one, and it's almost completely empty. So do not fret, Photogenic. You should get a starting soon screen. Oh my god, I know! Photogenic, I'm hyped for the starting soon screen. That's gonna be like a day of work. I'm gonna have to just sit down on a Saturday or Sunday and just pump that out. But I'm hoping this next weekend I can do that, because I really want a starting soon screen as well. I just want 1 minute where, you have all the gooblers, everyone who types just sits down at a table or just sits down in this little area, and then when the stream stops, it I don't know, falls down or something, and everyone falls into the main area down here. But yes, I am hype and ready for the intro starting soon. I keep calling it intro, but then I keep calling the scene where the gooblers enter the intro screen as well. So true, I guess, lol. I didn't think about it that way. Just make a whole stream setup in Godot, actually. Well, I mean, I wish I could do this in Godot. It's just there's no if I go to animation player, this doesn't have easing, and it's kind of hard to use. And so I think one day I might just have to make my own animation player alternative in Godot that does give me the animation tools that I need, like I do with everything, because I gotta do everything around here basically. Just make a whole, yep, that's what I'm doing, Pawn. I'm making the whole thing in Godot. I hate Civil Gunner so much. Damn! What the hell? Wait, Tales from Sonic Creation. Wait, you got blocked. Let me unblock you, because that's not. How do I let you through? How do I let you restricted? How do I make you not restricted? That's a really funny chat though. Stop restricting. All right, Tales from Sonic Creations 20, come on in. I don't know how to make your message reappear. Hello, greetings, welcome. We were just talking about that intro animation. Your stream thingy is made in Godot itself? Dang, I forgot that a lot of you are kind of new, but yeah, no, totally. This whole thing is Godot, and it's just what I'm familiar with. There's this really, really good thing called, oh god, I gotta restart my thing. Hold on. There we go. Okay, there's this thing called Twitcher. So Twitcher Godot. Can you add bass guitar bleed in Blender from images, views, and rig it in MediaFire link download? Is that okay? Tales from Sonic Recreations or whatever. You just got blocked for being a ban evader. Now you're coming into my chat posting mega links. I don't. Thank you for the follow though, but I'm gonna have to. Can I? Why are you able to put links like that? Dear goodness. Okay. And I can't just delete this individual message. Oh well. No one click on that link. But we're gonna give Tails one more try, just because I like Tails from Sonic. It's a good character. He can fly with his butt. That's hilarious. I think I know why he was blocked. Godot sucks ass for animations compared to dedicated 3D art tool. Who would have guessed? Yeah, but like I don't want to animate models. I want to like that's different from Blender where I have to animate a certain model. I want to animate components and nodes that's already built into Godot. You can delete. I know I can. Twitch is being fucky. Oh my god. I have to enter like mod mode, don't I? I need to learn this. No one start telling me I need to add you as a mod because I don't know how to do that either. We're just gonna have to leave it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's just not adding me as a mod. No. We don't need any mod. I think you just slash. I don't need a slash mod. I just need to slash delete message. Okay, it's whatever. Guys, we're getting off topic. Twitcher, Izera, is this really good library for Godot that lets you add Twitch integration into your Godot game, which I guess could be used for, like I just said, Twitch integration, which a lot of games do, which is cool, but you can also use it to make a stream interface in Godot like this, where you receive events from people typing in chat into your Godot project, and then you can, have your Godot game react to those events, and it's really cool. And Twitcher is awesome, except it's kind of buggy sometimes. It kind of doesn't work the way I want it to, and so be warned. Good, says the superior programmer who says other programmers are just the worst. It's kind of advanced, Isaac. It's not that bad once you get started. It's fully usable in GD script, but it's freaking I don't know. I don't know. It has a hard startup thing. Like, I think there's some weird issue with the settings that I need to track down and report to the creator, because it's finicky. It's finicky, but it's not as finicky as Gift, which was another Twitch integration for Godot that was way worse, that I used and wasted like months on last year, making my first version of the Godot, or the Twitch into Twitch, not integration, but Twitch interface. Ooh, nice color, pawn. Looks very advanced. I knew it was coming. I think right now I'm just using a basic overlay from Stream Elements. It says the dude made silly script with a chat box. I don't know what you mean. How dare you regurgitate my past? My past. I might have to use silly script in this game. That's kind of exciting. I can't wait to get back to silly script. What a silly little language I made. I really want to use it. Oh, but you know what would be cool? But I can't see anything past this green. No, it's fine. Your green is beautiful. Pawn, your green is perfect just the way it is. If I can use Godot to make chats from me come out of a speech bubble of my character, I think I'll be able to do that. Maybe I can like make that a thing that you can also install yourself, because the way you would do that is you would use Whisper Library, which is, as you can see, a robust speech recognition via large-scale weak supervision. Basically, this is the thing everyone uses to do speech to text. And so for me, I'm already written my thing in Rust. So I can use Whisper RS to convert my voice to text in real time. And this is what I'm going to use when I annotate my subtitles for my shorts on YouTube. And oh wait, what the hell? Migrated to Codeberg. Fuck yeah. Oh, Codeberg W. No, not my speech, the chats, because I do no mic. Oh, that'd be way easier then. Yeah, I think that's Izera. That's totally a project I think you can do, and I would highly recommend if you have like a bit of Godot experience, I would definitely give it a go. But even if you don't have a lot of Godot experience, it might still be worth trying, because I think Godot and GD Script are a great starting place for learning game dev and such. So yeah, give it a shot. Give it all that you got. Okay, now that I have to go back to reality, I'm now realizing I'm still stuck in this hell where chain plane. Oh yeah, let me run. So this exists, and then if I go over here and reload, it says reloaded, and that's it. Which is bizarre, right? That's freaking bizarre. Because why the hell have I lost my reference to this thing when neither enter nor exit have been called? Godot is probably the easiest of the big 3 game engines at the moment. You know what it is? It's not just easy, but it's the best one too. That's the cool thing about Godot. It's so good. The end. There, I said it. Take that, Unity. I sure showed you. Okay, I'm gonna let me reload again now that I've cleared the console. God, why is this happening? Maybe it just works. Nope, it still doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. Okay. Okay, y'all, plan B. Plan B. Hold on, let me pull up plan B. Get rid of this. Let's go to setup connections. Where is that? In here? Yeah, and then on selection changed. We're going to make that a Godot function, so that way I can call it in Godot ways. So to do that, we're going to do Godot API, impl, chain, plain gizmo plugin, func. And by doing it this way, it makes it so that there's a little performance cost. It has to go through Godot's dynamically typed system. But at the very least, I don't have to worry about disconnection upon reloading the Rust context, which would be nice. It'd be a nice little treat to not have to fucking deal with this bullshit for anymore. Callable, on selection changed. What's the issue? Oh, it needs to be a reference. Okay. Any other complaints? This needs to be mutable. Okay. Any other complaints? No. Cool. Reload. Oh, we have a no, okay, I can fix that later. Let's first make sure this works. Reload. Okay, we're 1 hour in. Oh my god, I've learned nothing. I've learned absolutely nothing, Photogenic. Because I just ate before I started streaming. Now I really have to take a dump again. I feel like I should take the dump sooner rather than later. Because, you know, dang, I've been here for about an hour. I had no clue. Hell, I'm glad I'm entertaining enough. Now, I'm going to crash out and be even more entertaining if this doesn't work. So, let's go. I don't understand why the fuck this isn't working. Is it because the object's being deleted? But how does it still exist? This is still here. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. These aren't being called. Print E. So this object is being killed upon reload? That's all I can assume is that this is dying somehow. Some way. Oh. Oh, I suffer. Okay, I'm gonna use the bathroom. Do I still have my... here it is, BRB. Okay, cool. I'll be right back. Give me like 10 minutes. How do I mute? Oh my god, the OBS has a new interface. I think it's this. Blah, blah. Is there any overhead from Rust communicating with GDScript? I'm sure there's a tiny amount. There's certainly some amount, but it's not any more overhead than there is just GDScript existing in the first place with GDScript's sort of dynamic world. Because all calls... Oh my god, Tales from Sonic Actions 20. You better not be doing bullshit while I'm in the toilet. Okay, I'll be right back. Hold on, I need to listen to myself on my phone. Oh, I really am loud enough. Holy shit, okay, wow. I have great audio balance. Nice. Because I'm listening on the toilet. And I'm like, damn, my background music is loud as hell when my volume isn't even that high up. So hopefully it isn't too loud when I'm existing in the world. But it's fine. It's fine. Tales from Sonic Reactions 20. You're gonna get nuked. You're gonna get nuked very soon. Did you? I can't wait for chat. Oh, my voice, the one only who plays Ogre Watch. I love Ogre Watch. I'm brain dead. I thought Surd was some random dev, but in reality, it is some ran dev. The facts are being fact so hard right now. Honestly, that is the way it is with that username. Even I, just some random developer, is the greatest coder of all. Why did I name myself that? It's derived from a much worse username I created when I was like 10. Don't worry about that. Don't worry. just some random. Got 15 people now. Jesus, y'all! I'm sorry. Why did we peak viewership when I was gone? Let me. I see how it is. We heard everything. I know for a fact I muted my shit, so don't even try and gaslight me on this. I am fine. I am A-okay. I don't even poop that loud. I poop pretty quietly. The loudest part you hear is me grunting. Ugh. Just trying to get it out. Watch Sonic the Hedgehog CD on YouTube? Like, is it just a gimmick account? It's kind of brilliant. It can't be automated, can it? It's just... okay. I kind of like Tails. I don't know. Tails followed. I gotta respect that. I don't wanna nuke my new follower. Oh, what's happening? Oh, welcome. Hello, how are you? Shadow, thank you for the join. I appreciate it. I will smooch you later on the mouth. The shit was muted. Don't worry. Thank you, photogenic. All right, guys. I'm gonna cry. But I'll collect it in person. You bet. I don't know what to do. This is so sad. Is there anything I can do to test if this is still working? So what do I do? Process here. And then, print Rust plugin. Will this stay alive after a reload? Let's see. What does that make me? Ancient. Tails is now an old follower. Damn. It's true. You're right, Tails. You got one more shot. Sonic, Tails. You've redeemed yourself. Amazing. Beautiful. Perfect. Hold on. Watch this. If I do this, save and come back, the object is still alive. It still exists. So why is it disconnecting? Why is everything not working? Come on. Why is this broken? I might be looking at the wrong thing. Hold on. Wait. I've been looking at the wrong thing. I've not even tested whether on selection change is even being called, because there's a chance that it is being called, and it's being either like early canceled via this bullshit or this bullshit. So let's test that. On selection change. Look, what's the chance that it's been working this whole time and I just don't even know because I never even tested this part of it? Will McDonald have a farm? E-I-E-I-O. I feel like I'm watching a comedy YouTube. Perfect. It's fine. Y'all, it's okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Let me reload. Done. Okay. So that's all fun. On selection change was called. You can barely see it because there's a tree in the way, but this shit was printed. Now if we go in here, save and reload. and we change the selection. On selection change still gets called. So all that bullshit I did with the like resetting the connections upon the extension reload, that I know none of you is following, but all the shit I've just done for the past hour is meaningless because I misdiagnosed what the error was. Gotta disappear, sir. EP time. You're good, Photogenic. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you have a good EP. Hope you have a good Monday. I know Mondays are miserable. But yeah, good night. Oh my god, I'm so mad. Who is this? Oh, Marmalade! What's up, Marmalade? How's it going? I think you should, something dark side. What time zone are you in? I think Photogenic is, I don't want to dox Photogenic, but I think Photogenic in chat has said it's the same time zone I'm in. The superior time zone, which will not be stated unless Photogenic says otherwise. Even though it's right here in my in my schedule or something. It's Eastern, I think. I think Photogenic just has like statistics stuff to do tomorrow. It's still Sunday. Why would you give me a heart attack? Yeah, we'll see. Sundays are good. It's Sunday, my dude. Okay, guys, y'all, let's put some prints in here. Let's see what's going on. Print 1. I'm good. Just getting started with Devin as well. Hell yeah. I hope your Devin goes better than mine does. I swore. I was like, for sure this stream, I'm going to make good progress. I'm not going to fumble with fucking bugs all stream. And here I am. Here I am. Here I am suffering. And for what? Godot print? That's what you do. That's what Rust could, that's how you print in Rust for Godot. You can also do a normal print, but it just won't show up in the Rust editor or the Godot editor if you do that. Okay, that printed a 2, which is fair because nothing was selected. If I select this, nothing's happening. But if I select this, nothing happens. It's not even, what? That means it's setting to this. It's getting here, and then the inspector doesn't exist. What's the chance of that? Print, set, inspector, visible, boop, boop. This might need to be, yeah, colon, question mark. Reload that. You yell at Godot. Godot, print! No, no. That's Rust. In Rust, a macro call requires you to put an exclamation point here. It's a pretty cool syntax if I do say so myself. And I do. I might as well be reading hieroglyphics. No, Izera, I believe in you. I believe in you. Retweet. Don't ever retweet anything I ever say. No one needs to know what goes on, what comes out of my mouth. Reload. Okay, so here's the issue. The issue this whole time was that this is being set to null somehow. So is destroy being called? Because that's the only way I could see this being modified. I think. What else could it be? What really sucks is nothing that I've done was doing before did this. So, okay, let's print this. Godot print this was taken. I really should find a way to use a debugger with this. I don't want to hear any shit on me. GD extension does not have good debugger support, so I'm allowed to just put print statements everywhere. It's okay. It's okay. We both heard it, Lamau, but I'll spare the clip. No. Yeah, it's too late now. Don't worry about it. This stream layout is very unique. Holy smokes. Thank you! It took like months to do. And this is like the second one I did. It was a whole hellhole to get it working. And it's not even done. I want to add like enemies that run from across the screen and like hurt you guys, and there'd be like little mini games that play out and stuff like that. But right now it's just a basic ass. You got randomly generated gooblers that show up, and my arm clicks on the screen. But yeah, thank you. Okay. Did I restart Godot already? Can my goobler have hair? Yes. I want there to be more cosmetics. I want there to be like hats, you know, belts, different types of shirts and pants and all those things. But you know, I'm not good at art. I'm not good at art, and also I'm very lazy at progressing things. But I'll do it. I'm trying to do every stream I add something a little new. I fucked up this stream because I spent all weekend cleaning up and doing like chores and shit. But we're so back now. Okay, we gotta test this. Reload this. On selection changed. Set inspector visible none. This was set to none upon reload. So basically, fuck me. Come on, why is it none? Why the hell is it none? It didn't even get taken. Look, I have a thing right here. It says, where is it? Inspector take. This is the only place in the code where it can be taken, which means it is being non-consensually taken from me by Godot Rust library. Somewhere, there is some transaction upon reload that is not transferring my inspector. But this is okay. This is fine, because all we have to do is make the inspector again if we get to this point and it doesn't exist, right? So I just need to isolate the inspector creation code here? Yeah, right? What is all this? Result. Oh, this is creating the plugin. Okay. But yeah, why can't I just make this code and then reassign it when that doesn't exist? Oh, excuse me. God damn. That should work. It's gonna work. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so create inspector GD. I think it's editor inspector. Boop, and then inspector returns here. We'll do create inspector here. What's the issue? Oh, I need to add it to the plugin too. But I can just pass that. So plugin, and I probably want this underneath. Destroy. Do I? Yeah, that's fine. Why is it? Oh, it's because it needs to be self. Self.create inspector. Okay. Oh, but this doesn't exist yet. Ooh. This is fine. Here's what we can do. We can set this to none. And then we can do this shit. Result bind mute create inspector. Pass the plugin. And then we can make this a mutable self function here. And let's assign inspector to here. Inspector. There we go. So now this doesn't return anything, but now we have a function that will generate the inspector if it doesn't exist, which is also a check I should do. If is sum return. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Look at that. So now I can go down here. Where is this code? Where are you? Here it is. If self inspector is none. Did my music go away? Is it? Are we out of music? No, it's just empty spot. Okay. And I need to reference the plugin. How do I get a reference to the fucking plugin? Oh god, fuck off. What? How am I gonna get a reference to the plugin? Wait, no. Hold on. Because I can do... There's a function in Gizmo that gives me the plugin. I think it's self base get... No. This is in the inspector though, right? Yeah. Self base mute? Plugin? Nope. Oh, shit! Randomly had cheers here. I'll pretend to know what is happening and support the stream. Thank you. Oh, Shadow. Oh. I will appreciate this forever. Oh, thank you so much. I will use that dollar wisely. I will purchase a Costco hot dog in your name. Why is this highlighted? Update, you fucking ass. The cheer broke the stream. No! Oh no! Oh! Wait, am I still updating? Oh, I'm really choppy though. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, hold on. This is information. This is good. Why is this happening? Request cheer mote? So there's some automated bullshit that I hadn't tested yet. Preload cheer mote? Okay, wait. I have to go through the stack trace. Hold on. All right, come with me and figure out the error with the Twitch interface. No! What the hell? Where's this even coming from? This is just like an event thing. Because oh my god, look at it. It's so... Oh, you can barely even follow along with me. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to restart. But if I restart, I lose the context, so... Y'all will have to bear with me for a little bit. Cannot access property or key _1 on base object nil, which means these images don't exist. Okay, request but who is requesting the cheer mote? Oh, it's here. Get cheer mote. Well, who's requesting these frames? Get cheer info. Who's requesting cheer info? Preload. Here we go. Okay. And I'm gonna guess it does say. Well, we gotta restart. Okay, let's do that. How do you even test cheers? I thought I had something to test it at one point, but maybe there has to be a way to do it in Twitch, right? I don't know. How's things looking? Okay, everything looks fine. We're gonna restart that. Oh, hello, welcome back, Pawn. Unfortunately, upon restarting, all of my shenanigans get reset, so all of you died. You're all canonically dead now. We're restarting JoJo Part 7. Using dollar wisely by going beyond the float limit. Just have negative 234232525 money. Streamlabs cooked. No, not. I wish I was using something as simple as Streamlabs. Okay, let this be a lesson. Don't anyone ever donate anything ever again, and we'll be okay. Why am I long? So here's an issue with my stream interface, right? Is that my stream interface only saves the generated goober chatter. It only saves your character whenever it closes without crashing. So if it crashes, it loses all the progress. And this is one of the things I need to fix before next stream, which I keep saying, which is have it save like during the stream. That way you don't lose your generated goobler every time. Yeah. It just is this way. Or cheer 1 bit at a time. 1,000. Maybe that's the move. Maybe what I should do right now is figure out why that crashed. Do I have bits? Can I cheer myself? Cheer. I cannot cheer your own channel. Oh my god. How do I test it then? How do I test it? What's bizarre is there's no reason why that should have crashed. And what's also interesting is that it was a preload, which means there's a good chance that it'll work a second time now that it's preloaded. I will donate. Just think, you just spent 100 crash opportunities. Free entertainment is gone forever. It's fine. It's fine. I'm sure no one will abuse the system hilariously to my benefit because I still gain money from it. We have the knowledge now. No. I'm gonna fix it. Just you watch. It's just Twitcher. Come on. Why would you let this happen? Bum 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 bum. Ba-da-da-dum. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I need to store a reference to the plugin in this thing. Okay, but okay. Y'all, hear me out. Hear me the fuck out. How the hell am I gonna store a reference to the plugin if this class is reset every time? You know what I'm saying? Like, what am I gonna do? Do I have to resupply a plugin reference upon change? I don't know. Maybe that's the move. You know what? That probably is the move. Hold on, wait a second. If I bring this back and then do Did I ever check if this existed? Was that why I never even checked if this existed. So, okay, on extension reload. On extension reload. And then we're gonna go Godot print on extension reloaded. Rerun that. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, that. Where are you? Where is this? Line 135. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Get that. Do that. Private method. Go fuck yourself. Pub crate. Okay. You gain money from it, therefore we feel less guilty about it. Right. And we're supporting them. Exactly. You know, the more... I've heard the more bits you do, the more likely it is for the stream to crash. Okay. Project reload current project. It's like some streams you crash with psychological damage. If you do it right at the perfect moment when I'm truly crashing out at some bullshit, then you hit with the maximum clip farming for my benefits. All right. Let's do this. Okay, so save, reload. It didn't run it. Okay. Did I actually crash it? Hold on. Oh, you bet it did. Oh, you fucking bet it did. Oh my god, no! Why is this happening? Who did this, Twitcher? Come on! I just talked so much good shit on you, Twitcher. I talk so much love to this fucking library, and it does shit like this to me. Is it because no one's testing the cheer capabilities? Because the only way to test cheering is by getting actual money transferred through Twitch? Host results. Oh my god. Okay, maybe I can fix it real fast. Twitch cheer images. What is this? It's this tiers object. And this is... Okay, where's images? That's the Twitch cheer mode images object. Okay. And that's this. And it's it's automatically generated. Okay, how convenient for you! You freaking frick. When will you learn that your actions have consequences? All right, where was the error? Where was the error? So this is happening when I can't... This is null. This thing right here is null. So what I need to do is var something equals this. We'll make it the penis operator, because why not? And then we'll do something this. So value because it doesn't have a set type. Oh, don't give me that shit. You know, I don't care. I don't know. Whatever. Variant. And then something will check if this exists. So if not something, well, if not something, then we just return and we don't worry about it. And so, all right, gang. All right, my dear, wonderful, beautiful family of people. Can you please give me one more bit so I can prove upon the world that I have fixed the issue? Give me 1 cent. 1 little tiny cent. Just 1 tiny little cent. That's all I want is your money. All right, there it is. There it is. Didn't crash. Okay, easiest bug fix of my life. That wasn't even my code. That was someone else's code. Wait a second, so I got that debugger thing. Resource not found. What? So there definitely is something with the oh no. I'm getting logs? Okay, I'm getting error logs, but it's not crashing the stream. So this is fine. This is fine. And we're all cool. Everyone's chill. We're having fun. We're having a good time. Thank you for the 3 cents, Pawn. I'm sorry there's nothing special that happens when you redeem points. That's like very late tier sort of plans for the stream interface. But yeah, get absolutely obliterated. I win once again. God tier programmer mode. Don't ever stop. Speaking of God tier programmer mode, let's figure out why the fuck this isn't working. Godot print. I mean, I know why this isn't working. This reference is lost. So everything is lost, including life and love itself. I'm filled with nothing but despair and apathy towards all of what's remained in the world. Bro, isn't ready for the gifted sub. The gifted sub should be fine. I think people have gifted subs and those haven't crashed. So we don't need to test that. We're good. She probably does. No. It's fine. What's their face? Gifted like 6 months of subs when I did my first stream. It was fantastic. Okay, let's leave. Reload. Now come back. What is this? This is none. So confirmation. Chain plane gizmo is just lost to time when I do this. Okay. Do I just call enter tree again? Is that what needs to be done? I think that just might be what needs to be done. But how would I get access to the editor plugin? Have you looked at your goals for the channel? -1 out of 47. I don't know what the fuck is up with that. Yo, I actually do not know why it says that. What did I do to get -1 subs? It's funny because it said -2 subs when I started. But then, you know, that other person subbed, and so it went up to -1. But it's like, okay, Twitch, damn. I just start on a lower playing field than everyone else. I start in the negatives. Who did this to me? Alright. Okay, where are we at? Okay, we're still 90 minutes in. If I don't get this done within 2 hours, I'm gonna cry. Okay. Oh my god. So I just have to assume that this object is just completely destroyed every reload. Which I guess is kind of consistent. The issue is I need this object to be alive to test whether the GD extension is actually reloading. But the only way I can set up what I've lost is by getting access to the plugin that I'm gonna lose access to. Okay, wait, let's not make any assumptions. Maybe since the plugin is not a Godot object, it'll be fine, right? Holy moly! Whoa! Thank you, Pawn. Apparently we just hit a goal. Bits goal met 1,000 of 1,000. That's a lot of bits. Holy cow! Gandhi looking ass Civ 5. What does that mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If that's 10, then that's 20, 30. Is that 35? Oh, get added. Get added right when you donate. Boop, boop, boop. They should make it so. They should give bit droppers no ads. Yeah. I'm sorry, y'all. Should have saved your money for something more important, like a subscribe, rate, comment, subscribe. All right, let's make some progress. So, plugin on ready, but on ready doesn't make any sense here because I'm never going to be ready. Can I do on ready manual and have that check? It's just not a node. It's just not a fucking node. Maybe that's the problem. Could that be it? If I make this a node... Yo, wait a second. Wait. If I just make this an object, and then it's just destroy it when it's done, would that be okay? Because I still get the call. Maybe that would prevent everything from being deleted. Because it makes sense that you would want to free a ref-counted object upon reload, but an object itself, a normal base object, has to stay alive. Yeah, I know. You're gonna say, oh, this doesn't exist. You changed the base type. Oh, yeah, I'm mad. Hey, guys, make sure we raid, comment, subscribe. Thank you. True. Pawn. God bless. En passant their asses. We are so back. That is right. And then we go in here. Notification. I think it's what equals notification pre-delete. We also will delete Rust plugin. Q free? It's an object. It has to have Q free, right? Yeah, why don't you have Q free? This should exist. Okay, whatever. If Rust plugin Q free and assigned to null. And that should be fine. Everything should be good here. Also, Wikipedia actually features an article on nuclear Gandhi. What does that mean? I'm so good. Crispy chicken crunch wrap slider. Now I'm hungry again. Oh, the ad. Oh, that does sound good. Man, I had like a bell pepper with meat in it. I forgot what the name is. A meaty bell pepper. It was pretty good. I think it had cheese in it. Shout out putting meats in my belt. I don't know. Y'all, someone save me. Save me from this hell. Oh, hey, what's up, Dazu? Welcome in. Join the fray. What is... Hello. Hello. How's it going? This has been a normal stream. I've made a lot of progress. Things are going good. I'm not upset. I'm not angry. In fact, look at this. Watch. This thing right here, this little blank spot is going to still work when I leave and refresh. So leave, refresh, hit. Okay, but we're testing something here. We were gaining knowledge. We haven't gained any knowledge. Changing it to an object didn't stop this from being deleted. Okay, next. Okay, wait. Instead of object, let's make it a node, and then attach it to the editor plugin node, and maybe that will save it from its fate. Oh, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna click your link, Izera, just for a little bit, just because I'm curious. Nuclear Gandhi is a video game urban legend purporting the existence of a software bug in the 1991 strategy video game Civilization that would eventually force a pacifist leader, Mahatma Gandhi, I don't know how to pronounce his first name, damn, to become extremely aggressive and make the heavy use of nuclear weapons. The claim was mentioned in the TV Tropes Wiki in 2012 and continued until 2021. The series creator, Sid Meier, confirmed that the bug would have been impossible in the original game. Okay. I mean, how can you know a bug is impossible? The point of a bug is that you don't know it's happening, but alright. Interesting. The more you know. Your -1 sub reminded me of that. Every time I come back, the stream looks more like a fever dream. I'm sorry, Dazu. Welcome back to the dream. I hope you're having a nice rest in your world. I learned that bits used to break your stream, but it's fixed now. It's true. You can't fuck me up anymore until... Here's what's going to happen, Pawn, is that I'm going to update the library that I edited to fix the problem, and then the update's going to undo my changes, and then bits will break my stream again. So, you never know. You'll just have to keep donating bits every stream until you find out when I've updated Twitcher and the bug has returned. For the hilarity. The fact that it has its own wiki? For real, man! What if I dream of one day having a wiki for a game I made. Meanwhile, motherfuckers get wikis for not their game, but a bug in their game. Apparently, it's like a big meme. Wow. Oh my god. Look at all this text. -1 aggression. Integer overflow is 255 maximum. Oh, is that like the supposed theory as to how it happened? Okay, I like that. I can make this happen. 260 days worth, 61 days worth. So Gandhi just blows you up, Lamau. I see. I bet, if Gandhi shot a nuke at me, I would just walk around it. It wouldn't be that hard. It's just a skill issue to get that bug. Like, honestly, man. Imagine having bugs and not be able to fix them. Oh, hey! Back to my bullshit. Okay, here's the benefit of making this a node. Number 1, I will have constant access to the editor plugin, which I'm now realizing is not a node, is it? It is a node! Okay, I'll have constant access to the node from the parent-child system by calling getParent from this. So, if I make this a node, and then everything else is good, why is it... Oh, this needs to be inode. Like iCarly, but for nodes and Godot. inode. Or like iPhone. And then recompile that. Oh, this also needs to be node notification. Node notification. Node notification. I can see that happened in a corrupted version of the game. Oh yeah, we are working on the tool. I mean, work is a strong word. But we're hopefully making progress. We're hopefully. So to start, I'm going to make it so... Look, here's why I did this up here. Is I would never in a million years... Okay, is my music done, by the way? It is. I would never in a million years assign an object at the top level of a tool like script like this. But this is what the Godot sample code showed me what to do. And so that's why I did that, but I think that's just wrong. I think I need to do it like this. Assign it an enter tree, and then check to make sure it's destroyed, and exit tree. So excuse me, goddamn. I do like remove child, this is equal to null. And then here I'll do the opposite. I'll do add child. Why did I do that? Add child, Rust plugin. And now everything should be okay. This node should always exist forever and ever and ever. Maybe I need, well, I don't have to queue free it anymore because it's always going to exist. Right? We got a Godot print! Yeah. How we've done shit all these past 2 hours. No, Izera. It's only been an hour and 45 minutes. We still have a chance to make this work. Okay, 3. Let's just see if it works right now. So that pulled up and that disappeared. And if I do this, save and reload, it doesn't work. Okay, we expected that though. That's fine. That's in what we expected so far. Quick, add another Godot print. No. See, now what we can do is we go here, and the what was printed right here, which was, where is it? Where'd it go? It should say extension reloaded. Here it is. Extension reloaded, none. That's fine, because instead of printing this, we can print self.base.getParent. And this is going to give us access to the plugin, which will give us access to regenerating another instance of the Gizmo plugin. You see where I'm getting at? You see where I'm going with this? So if we reload this, this is my Ducky mascot, by the way. Oh, I love your Ducky ADHD. Oh, poor guy is having trouble paying attention. So you made the path curve. Yeah, okay, so Dazu, what this stream is supposed to be is level tool development. I'm working on this thing that I'm calling a chained plane, which is, it has a bunch of internal like points that you can add to it, and you can modify the properties of these points. So I can go to this point, for example, and then modify its like relative position, like as you see right here, or move it up and down like this, change its width, and turn it left and right like this. And this is a nice little tool to help develop levels for my game, because I hate level development so much, and I desperately need a better way to do it. And so this tool exists to add non-destructive, simple, yet powerful capabilities to the Godot editor for my purposes. You can even smooth by adding a smooth property like that. Look at that. Look at that smoothness. You can even like really smooth it out by adding more segment counts that increase the triangle count. I'm supposed to be coding while the stream is up. It's not going well. It's okay. It's okay, Pond. The same happens to me. I can't get anything done. Okay, yeah, really, thank you, y'all. Thank you. I'm really excited about this project. If it weren't for these minor issues that are kind of the result of me using Rust, to be honest, here's some psychic damage for you. I'm not going to read the rest of that until I test this thing. Okay, do that. Reload. Okay, I got access to the editor plugin. That all worked. All right, what's my psychic damage? Sometimes I'll make a whole drawing in one layer. Oh. You know, that actually doesn't hurt as bad because I'm not an artist. So you'll need to think of something that's like the equivalent of drawing everything in one layer, but for coding. Which I don't know if there is. Maybe like putting everything into a single function. But even then, you can still break it apart and put it into other functions in a way you can't really do with a drawing. It's okay. Well, I guess I do have that issue sometimes when I do thumbnails and I put everything onto one layer and then I'm just fucked. But I don't dedicate that much time to thumbnails. Man. Yeah. Well, it's cool. I like this tool. If only shit worked. So, okay, guys, to be clear about what I'm fighting against, what my enemy is that whenever I see up here where all these nodes are, I want it so when I click on the mesh instance 3D, which has the instance of the chain plane, a pop-up should appear on this side right here. You've seen it. You saw me just use it right now. But right now it's not popping up because whenever I reload the extension, because I made a change to the code over here, it's not reworking. And so that's what's happening. That's why I'm upset. So I need to make it so I need to. Okay. Is this running? On extension reload, is this? Oh God. Okay. Will this text appear when I go back in? Extension. It won't. So I need to rerun create everything basically, which is crazy because it's so insane. That doesn't make any sense. Does everything need to be a node of some sort? Because this is being added. This right here is being added as a Node 3D Gizmo plugin. So why the fuck does it not appear? Do I need to test this? Like, how am I losing the reference? It's so confusing. Like coding everything in a single document? I guess. Sometimes I code everything on one line. Maybe that. Because I don't know what the process is I don't know. That's the equivalent for real. Can we move some of these trees? It's hiding some of your stream. I don't know. That's kind of the fun, is that there's trees in the way. But okay, since you've requested pawn, I will oblige. Here's how we remove the trees. We go back to the other Godot. Ignore all the error messages. Those are not from your bits. I swear, I promise. And we go to the active scene tree, floor, grid, and then, okay, what's getting in the way? No, that one can stay. That one and that one. All right. Oh, fine. We'll just delete them. All right, goodbye. Goodbye, trees. There you go. For you, pawn, I have decimated the environment. And for what purpose? Thank you for the bit. Is everything still working? Okay, cool. Your destruction of the environment has paid off. Or I guess you've paid me off to destroy the environment. Okay. Can I now pretend? I can now pretend I read Rust. People say that. It's all the same syntax. It's C-based bullshit. This is a function. This is an if statement. It's all there. It's all cool. It really is Lamau. Yeah, see, people overhype the harm, the difficulty of Rust. Climate change incoming. No. That's what I should add to the stream. Climate change. Okay. Like it gets colder over time or hotter. If let some mutt chain gizmo. Okay. All right. Okay. I need to take a breather for a second because I am really upset nothing is working. All right. No. Here's what we need to do. Let's first get the plugin. So let plugin equals. Well, we're gonna have to do sum. Let sum plugin equal this. Get parent is nullable, right? Yeah, so we gotta do and then p.try cast editor plugin. Okay. And then that will do else return. Okay, so let's learn some Rust. Let's learn some fucking Rust. I don't know how to. Okay, so here's the issue: is that my cursor is slightly off from my hand, and also my hand blocks the code, so I can't really like point at things. I have to like point below things. But we're making an expression that is self base get parent. See, this gets the parent of the current node, which is Surge 3D level tools plugin. All right, and then is a function that's on all optional types. So if something can be assigned null, it is an optional type. And you can call and then on it. That'll run a function that will run if the contents of the optional nullable type is not null. It'll take that non-nullable type, run another sort of thing on it with this lambda that converts it to a different type that could also be nullable. So then it returns that, and then that is replaced with the current. You know what? I'm starting to realize this makes no sense. I hope the vibes communicated what I wanted to say. But essentially, we're saying get parent, convert that parent to an editor plugin. If it is, return this, set this variable to plugin here. Otherwise, return from the function. Not that we'd want to do this because we probably want to find some way to report there's an error here. But fuck it. We're just testing right now. And I know for a fact this is going to return a plugin. Fuck it. Do it in binary. If you went assembly, then I wouldn't even be here. I wouldn't be here either. I would not be streaming it. I wouldn't have the focus. Generally speaking, if you do assembly, I assume you're not human and you have to prove yourself human later on. I did assembly in college. It was not very pleasant. But it's also one of those things where I felt like, how the hell does anyone getting this that's not me? You know, like how the fuck did anyone else in that class understand what was going on? It's kind of fascinating though, how you convert the instructions, like a number represents some instruction. That's cool. That's interesting. And that you literally do learn to code in binary. Because sometimes people say binary and assembly language interchangeably. Oh, welcome back, Marmalade Bacon. Or I guess welcome again. Sorry, your goober disappeared because someone, not naming any names, crashed stream. Oh, hey, CG, what's up? Hello, welcome. I'm currently making no progress because everything is stinky and garbage. Your bits will no longer crash me, pawn. Your en passant no longer pisses on me. What's self-destroy chain playing Gizmo? Izera, I don't want to talk about it. I don't know. I wouldn't trust an LLM to do assembly. Me neither. I wouldn't trust it to do normal code either. Assembly users fail every CAPTCHA test. Wait, I never left. I know, Marmalade, I'm sorry. I died and had to fix a program thing for a friend. Oh, I feel that. I do that a lot too. I'm specifically dying, and then also sometimes fixing things for other people. Okay. Plugin dot. Okay, what is the code? What is the code? So Node 3D Gizmo plugin. Okay. So can I get Gizmo plugins from plugin, or can I just fumble around in the wrong file for 3 seconds? Get giz. Okay, if I do Gizmo, there's nothing. There's no way to list the gizmos. Here's what I don't get right, is my gizmo doesn't disappear when I reload. Because if I go here, or if I go to view, and I go to gizmos, it's still listed here as a toggleable gizmo. So I'm concerned that the gizmo still exists. It's just disconnected somehow. And there's no way to fucking keep that reference, except maybe if I put the reference to the gizmo outside of that. I mean, is the answer that I just port all this code to the GDScript plugin and then call it a day? I think that might be the answer, because the GDScript plugin is the only thing that's going to keep the references. Which sucks, but it is what it is. I love when I try to fix something and break it even more. Also, when I read self.destroy, I just think of the self-destruct button in Doofenshmirtz's inventions. That's basically what it is. I say be gone, and then it is gone. As it should, because it's good to clean up your memory and shit. But, I mean, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter when reloading nukes your life. You have to reload the add-on. You know what? Fucking pawn. I knew that was an option, but like, you make a compelling point. I'm so stuck when it comes to this issue. That doesn't matter, because no one's gonna reload the extension in real-time use. Hold on, I need to pull up my friend's stream so I can get first on their stream. Give me a second. Where are they? Where the fuck are they? Am I no longer follow? Where the fuck are they? Why are they always at the bottom? I like to watch them more than anyone else. Okay. Sorry about that. Freaking Pawn, you're so fucking right. Because no one's gonna need this extension to work, this reloading to work. It's never gonna be necessary. It's only necessary for me when I'm developing. But instead of freaking out about this, I could just go into project settings and reload the plugin. Which, by the way, there's a plugin that lets you reload plugins from the main top-level editor. So I can just install that. And then I'll be good. So why am I concerned? Why am I going through all this? Why am I wasting 2 hours on this when I could just open the plugin, which is what everyone does for their add-ons in Godot anyway? Yeah. I don't know. I do not know. Right. I think I'm just gonna delete everything. I think I'm just gonna delete all this. I think I'm just gonna delete all this. I think I need to let go. It's like insert some movie reference here where they had to let go. No, I know one. Despicable Me. At the end of Despicable Me, he had to let go of the girl's hand on when they were falling something, or was it they had the trust to make the jump at the end of Despicable Me? It's one of those. It's one of those. But I have to learn to let go and just accept that I'm not going to be able to achieve this the way I want it to. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got beat. Oh my god. It didn't. Damn. Okay. All right, let me catch up on chat. You have to reload. Yeah, so what's your friend's stream so I can steal it from... No one go to my friend's stream. You have to stay here watching me. We're gonna raid them later, so don't worry about it. Okay. Wait, what? That is so cool. So we have, in fact, not done shit in 2 hours. I mean, if you put it that... Izera, that's like saying you watched a movie and didn't do anything in 2 hours. That's not true. You gained character development. I gained character development, and I've learned the real solution was just to not find a solution and to let go of my perfectionism. It's like you watched a whole movie, and I'm free from the Matrix, as Pawn says. Yes. No, Shadow, no. I think we lost our Godot print. I think the real Godot prints was the friends we made along the way. So actually, negative work has been done. No, because we let go. I mean, why not? Here's the real hell is I have to go through and get rid of all these Godot prints. All right. Pawn, watch as I delete all of your beloved Godot prints. Delete. I don't need this whole function, actually. Delete. Here's a cool feature of Zed. You can just do a search, and then you can make edits up on like the little search segments for each file. And if you hit save, it saves all the files that had those searches on them. It's a really cool feature. Fucking Zed is so awesome. Use Zed, don't use Visual Studio Code. Fuck is Visual Studio Code. All me and my homies hate Visual Studio Code. What a piece of garbage. Okay. Is there anything else I need to destroy while I'm here making history? Because I don't need to worry about this anymore. I don't need to worry about selection reloading, because I'll just reload the add-on, which initializes it with the connected selection. So, what the flip? What the sigma? What the everything? What is this? Okay, this is, I need. This I need. This is called here. And this I can go back to the typed version of connection, because I'm just reloading anyway. Fascinating. Good movie. Is The Matrix 4 the new one that came out recently? No spoilers, please. I haven't seen any Matrix movie except the first one. Which I really want to. I've heard the second and third ones are like good. They're like niche good. They're like cult classics. And I like cult classic-y films. They're very tasty. This needs to be connect other. So do I connect other self? Then self on. Oh, here's the downside. I deleted this code, so who knows what it said. What's happening? I can't type. What? Hello? Rust? Zed? Remove this. There's a Matrix 4. What the fuck? Not what I meant. Like Shrek. Yes, like Shrek, there is a fourth one that no one talks about. Unlike Shrek, the fourth one for Shrek came out pretty soon after the third one. I mean, a reasonable time span after the third one came out, the fourth one came out. Matrix 4 was purposely made to be very bad because of Warner Brothers, lol. Oh, I saw that theory, Pawn. That's like the one thing I know about modern Matrix. I said Goo Movie because he said our stream is a movie. It is! Is it not? Have you not sat down and enjoyed a masterpiece? Have you not followed my character development, seen my ups and downs, understood my struggles, fought the antagonist? We went on a hero's journey. The stream fucking crashed. That was like the point of no return in the hero's journey. I think that's one of the points. Good. Next you're telling me there's a Pacific Rim 2. Oh, I wish. 1010 viewership peaked. What the fuck was that, by the way? What the hell? Got almost 20 viewers just shitting on the toilet. Okay. Anyway, enjoy your ad break, y'all. I'm gonna fix everything during the ad break. You're gonna come back and be like, hey, check this out. And it's gonna be beautiful, finished, done, delectable, tasteful, well adjusted. When I said you haven't done shit at all, I guess you have done shit. Lamau. How do I see ads? I don't know, Pawn. I mean, the ads haven't started yet. It says ad starts in 30 seconds. Here, I'll give you a little insight into the Twitch, what it looks like for me. Because no one ever showed this to me when I was a viewer. So, like, it shows you this that says ad starts in 20 seconds. Though I could run it immediately, and I could also snooze it. But if I snooze it, the snooze, stays around till even the next stream. So, like, it's not really that beneficial. I guess if you beg hard enough, I'll snooze it right now. You got 6 seconds to beg. Go on. I think once it starts, you can't snooze it, though. Because that's going to disappear. Yeah, it's gone. Oh, it's gone. Oh, well. It was fun when it lasted. How do I... This wasn't a thing when I used to be a streamer. I know. I remember I streamed Twitch like a tiny bit years ago. And things were so different. And then you, like, watch streamers and they're like, yeah, I'm gonna know when ads start and blah, blah, blah. It's like, what the fuck? You know when the ads are happening as a streamer? What kind of wizardry is this? Like, last time I streamed was like, what? Like, streamed in a good segment of reality was like 2017. So, yeah. Right, everything has changed so much. Affiliation used to be so hard to get also. Yeah, I kind of wish it was still kind of hard to get because I could get it. I could easily get it. But now my affiliation is worth less because they give it to everyone now. So I need to become a partner. Do you think I could become a partner? I think I could totally achieve partner status if I just put out some banger shorts. Oh, everyone's in ads except for iZero apparently. So everyone's like sitting down. We're all just chilling out. Relax. This is a chill stream. We're all chilling. We're relaxed. It's okay. We're having a good time. never mind, it started out. I think my other Twitch is a part. You have a fucking partnered Twitch, Pawn? Oh my god. That's like really impressive, right? Don't you need like 100 average viewers to get partnered? I guess I was lagging. Yeah, the timing for ads are weird. Because there will be times people say like, oh, ads ended, and I'd still be in ads. Or the times when ads ended forever ago for me, but the ads only said they stopped at a more recent time. Lol, it is if they didn't take it away. I should look. Damn, that's crazy. So what, are you like a really famous streamer? Should I know you? Should I be clicking on your name? Should I be praising your footsteps and licking your boots and saying, Pawn, oh Pawn, please piss on me. Please let me walk 2 squares forward and you diagonally walk past me and I am covered in your yellow juices? Is that what you're saying to me, Pawn? I was a horror game streamer once upon a time, but it wasn't super Oh, I mean, if you're partnered, that's popular enough. I don't know any streamers that are partnered. So it is what it is. It is the numbers game. More like the numbers lane. Okay. What's funny is this reload thing that I'm about to do. It probably would have saved my other stuff. Like, it would have been fine. Alright, well, let's make this an object. I'll make this an object. Reload. We're going to have to reload Godot as well. Number go up. Yo, that is what I'm saying. CG, you get me. You understand me. You know what this is really about. It's not even about the meaning of the number. It's just that I like number go up. It's nice. Oh, I got errors. Oh, I can't add an object. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. So get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Here's what I need. I need a plugin. Okay, y'all, listen to me. Listen to this shit. What if I write an add-on for Godot that automatically reloads another add-on if I reload an extension, except we only get the notification for extension reload in that own extension. So is there a way I could connect a signal to this object that triggers something in the main plugin. When the extension reloads, that'll reload the add-on from within the own add-on. Maybe? Do you think? Okay, hold on. I need to like do like a funk. Destroy Rust plugin. Returns void. If Rust plugin does not equal null. Rust plugin Q free, and then destroy me. And then we're also gonna do this at the start. Okay, cool. And then this should all be good. Can I toggle on and off add-ons? Let's go figure this out. Let's open Firefox again. Godot, toggle add-on programmically. Oh, here it's Godot add-on toggler. Here's the add-on I was talking about, which can toggle add-ons. So I assume that there's something in the plugin, right? I don't know. I feel like I should just go through the API though and figure this out, because this is gonna be a hell to dig through. We up. Need to make an incremental game. Wouldn't that break it? I don't think it would work. Pawn. I don't know. I don't think it'll work either. But we have to try. We have to fucking try. It's for the science. Are you not a fellow computer scientist? We have to gain the knowledge right here, right now, so this tragedy never happens again. Godot, editor plugin. Then what? Okay, add-ons? Preload. Okay, so the add-ons aren't here. How do we change that? Okay, fine. I'll take it. How old is this? Last year? Okay, so this should totally. Oh, here it is. This right here. How do you reload an add-on? Add-on container to add-on queue free. Okay, so that's that. Scripts. Add-on toggler panel. Add-on. And then what? Oh, does it do it by modifying the no, it can't. Not in the file system. Okay, so pop-up show, add-on name, set, add child, on project settings change. This is something. This is something right here. Toggler, set checkbox active, on connect, function, add-ons, shortcut toggle. Okay, so it's using this signal to communicate with something else. Presumably this. Why don't we... Oh, we can't search in here. Toggler. How about this? Does this have... No, this has the signal. So does this have the connection to the signal? Oh, you know what? The signal's probably connected in the editor. I should probably just download this and figure it out what's how... Oh, man. No, what's the... Oh, my God. Okay, whatever. Go toggle add-on in code GD script. Whoa, I got a highlight message. What can I do with my 4K channel points? You can wait patiently, Izera, for me to add more whatevers. Oh, here it. I knew it was project settings. Okay, get setting, editor, blah, 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 blah. Oh, that's such a hassle, though. Oh my God, that's such a hassle to set up. But this is totally doable. Editor plugin / enabled. All right. So let's go ahead and try that in here. Project settings, get setting, editor, plug. Oh, there it is, / enabled. So let's see what this prints, and then go from there. Emojis, force walk, or highlight messages. Okay, 0.001% chance this works. Oh yeah, highlight messages totally work in the interface for some reason. How can I tell future generations that I sit there and watching a talking TV that replies to me when I type? You just have to clip it and show them, unless technology is destroyed. Adventure Time. In which case you just have to live your life. Who is texting me? Who? What the hell? Oh my God! No way! What the fuck? Okay. The TSCN files will tell you if you want to click on every TSCN. What? Bon, what are you saying? We'll tell you if you... Talking TV in the shape of a monkey on a broom. How dare you? I am very humanoid shape. I'm evolved beyond monkey. Okay, Frieza. All right. I need to reload everything. No, I don't need to. I just need to do this. Off, on. And then on it gives me this. So this is literally just a list of all the plugin.config files. All right. CERM? Hello, CG? Pawn, was your thing you're testing making a bold high? Oh, you're trying to like break through my... Pawn, my system doesn't use HTML. It uses GD script. So actually what you want to do... Oh my god! Pawn, wait a second. Do this. Do, B test. And I think this might work. Because it's using rich text labels. So this is a rich text label code from Godot that might work in my text system. In fact, if you want to get really crazy, you should try... I think it's Wave? Wait, I need to test this. Wait. Rich text label. BB code enabled. Is it Wave? Test / wave. It is. Okay. Pawn. Try this. Try this is, I guess everyone type this in chat and see if this works. We need to do more science. We need to gain knowledge. Anyone who's listening to me, please answer my call. CG, Shadow, Isera. Wave testing. Oh my god, it works. This is no. You have to surround it with wave, and then that breaks through the bullshit. Okay. Oh my god, you can totally format your own messages in my Twitch interface. Well, congratulations, Pawn. You've unlocked new capabilities. It's kind of hard to see the wave. You want to? Okay, guys, y'all. Wait. You want to cause some real chaos? Oh, should I reveal this information? There are parameters to wave. I don't know what they are, but I think one of them is... Fuck, what are they? Rich text label Godot. Ignore the song. Anyway, wave. No, it's... Ignore the song. Okay, BB code enabled. How do I see all the BB codes though? Godot BB code. Just ignore the song. Don't worry about it. Don't fucking worry about it. Okay, wave. There's also tornado, which you just surrounded with tornado. Here it is, amp for amplification, and then frequency. So if you do this, it'll make it crazier. Test. That's actually not too bad. Isn't there like a speed? Can I like set speed to like 30? Oh, people love this song. Let's go. Okay, y'all. You want some crazy text that's gonna break everything? You add this to the front, and that'll make it bigger. Wait, does this mean in theory I can run custom code on here? Can we homebrew Surge Stream to run Doom? Wait, CG, don't fuck with. Wait. You can't eval through BB codes, right? You can't eval through BB codes, right? Right? Imagine if you could. Imagine if I just had this huge security risk on my PC this whole time. No. No, I don't think you can. I think BB codes are safe. Can you run code on BB codes? Just okay. I don't think you can. I don't think you can. Oh my god, that dude. That's totally something that could have been real, and I could have just like not seen that. Oh yeah, there you go, Isera. See, I think you want to make amplify like something really big, like 300. Let me look at what 300 would look like. Whoops. See, that's that. But if I do 300, oh, see, there we go. See, it starts going off the screen. And the issue is, if you do this, it's going to start leaking to other people's messages. Because the way I implemented the messages is that they're all on one big virtual texture. And then they have, oh my god! Isera, what have you done? And so, if they're on the same texture, you can start leaking your characters into other people's messages if you're not careful. Okay, I don't see anything yet. I think it's fine. As long as you keep your amplification underneath, like, a couple hundred, it should be okay. If you do 600, then we're truly fucked. Actually, it's not too bad. Wait, why is everyone's corners red? That is not intended, by the way. Oh my god, all the corners share the same material. Oh my god, they all share the same material. That they keep updating each other's... Oh. Why can't we see the characters through each other's messages? Wait, hold on. Let me turn on the debug thing. We can see what's happening on the virtual texture. Where is it? In here? Is it this? Okay, this should show us what's up. Oh, it gets cut off. Okay, so it can't leak into each other's messages. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Oh, we're safe. All right. Anyway, that's a little peek behind the curtain of how this works. How do I turn that off? Boom. There we go. Boop. Oh, my God. All right. Oh, my God. I guess past me is a genius that knew to prevent that ahead of time, and I just forgot I did that. Why is yours slower than mine? I mean, there's some attributes like that combined together. See, you set yours to 500 amp, but CG's is 900, so it probably takes more time to meet that amplitude. Well, this is the knowledge we've gained. That's okay. Do I patch that? I think I just keep it as it is. I think I keep it like that, and then y'all can have fun, and then I'll find better ways to make messages interesting for other things in the future. So enjoy your time. And my dreams of running Doom on Surface is a bust. Well, let's not give up too soon. You can find a way, CG, if we try hard enough. Also, okay, here, look. Here's the document for all the codes. So go crazy. You can also like change the color of your text. Yeah, right here, like bold, italic. Let me zoom in. So you just wrap these in the square brackets. So wrap it with bold, makes it bold, italic, underscore, strike through. You can make a code formatted, break. I don't know. Wait, you can add breaks? You can add breaks? Ooh! Ooh! Okay. Whatever y'all do, don't spam a bunch of these. Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Wait a... No. No, okay, we need to get focused. We need to focus back on what's really important. You guys didn't see anything. It's fine. It's fine. Shit. Maybe I do have to sanitize some of these because the breaks could, the size of the message objects are defined by the size of the messages, but they can only get so big. Oh no, you don't even have to do the closing break. You just have to do the single BR in square brackets, and that creates a new line. Okay. See, that's fine. That's okay if you do a couple. That is A-okay. That is 100% all good. It's if you... Oh my god, does the thing work with the emojis? Is it? I don't think it is. I think it doesn't work. Oh, I'm sorry. It doesn't work with emojis. Oh, rip. Fucking unusable Twitch interface. Basically, unfollow. Garbage bullshit. Scam. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Okay. Hi. Okay, I'll stop. No, it's okay. I'll just let this go on. Someone has to do it. Someone has to spam BR in brackets in a message. Just nothing but BRs, and we'll see what happens. We'll see what goes on. How many breaks can you add to a message before something goes horribly wrong? We have to do the science. Lol, I was going to test this when I got back. You all beat me to it. Oh no, I'm so Pawn. I'm sorry. I told them the secrets. You inspired me to look deeper into this. I was wondering where you were. I was like, wait, yo, Pawn, try out brackets instead of the triangle ones. Do the Godot BB codes. And there's a link. You can go crazy. Wait, so what happens if you make your text bigger? Oh, wait. You can set the size of your text in here. You can add images? Oh shit. Font size. Font size equals size / font size. Oh, y'all. I didn't think about this. What is that? Oh my god, it's oh. Wait, why didn't the font size work there? Is it because there's spaces in it? Maybe I'm saved. Huh. Oh shit, okay, maybe it's not that bad. You can't, I don't know. You can only have 500 characters. You don't need 500 characters to just add 10 breaks. Wait, I gotta go back to chat. Oh wait, what the hell? Oh shit! The break doesn't work unless you put characters between it. Oh my, wait, what? Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh, Pod. Okay. The immediate attempt to sabotage everything with a 1,000 size text. Oh my god, thank god you fucked it up. Thank god you fucked it up. Okay. Oh, that's so funny that you did. Oh! Oh no! God, we have to, I have to sanitize these. Oh, everything's gone. Oh, it crashed. Oh, it crashed. Oh, it's GG. That's GG. You guys crashed the Twitch interface again. Okay. Good job. Good job. Good job. You did it. Do I have to live code a repair for this, or can I trust you guys to just not fuck this up again? Oh, man. I just wanted to do some level development. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, well. I don't know how to fix this. The object derived class of argument 1 previously was not a subclass of the expected argument class. Okay, I'm gonna have to delete that. No! How do I fix this? Wait, what was null though? Was it this? Oh my god. This, okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. Welcome back, everyone. That's gonna appear in a second. There we go. Make a failsafe or something. I don't know. I could. Look, I totally could. Well, what I should do is something in programming called. I think it's. Let me look this up. It's like I think it's called text sanitizing. Yeah. So you do what's called text sanitizing, which is a process where you take the text that's being input into your application and you process it in a way to make sure that people can't hijack and do unintended things with your text. And so that is that. You can have big font sizes, just don't make them above 100, and things should be okay. Look, if you don't want to lose all of your message history and lose your gooblers, you know, you got to make sure you don't do this. Another crash for the boys. Oh, what happened to my words? What have I done? En passant, Lamau got him part 2. Oh, good. Make a failsafe or something. Yeah. You need a pawn with horns or something. Dang, that didn't work. Yeah. What? Keep your shenanigans away. Font size 100. Oh no, Izera. You have to stack the I don't know why I'm telling you this. You need to stack the statement. So what you do is you do like font size equals 100, and then next to that you do wave amp equals 300 or something, and then you write your text, and then you close it up with, you know, in the same order. So /wave /font size like this, and that should give you something. As long as it's no larger than 100 font size, we should be okay. We should be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. And even whenever I was doing game dev on this stream, what does that look like? Oh, okay, there we go. Is that like a seizure warning I should be concerned about? That's a kind of flashy. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's fine. Hi. No, I think with the space, you can't do spaces in the thing. It has to be font size, no spaces. God, someone type some S so I get the shit off my screen. I hate it. It's so cursed. I like breaking games also. No. Damn. Okay. Hi. Hi. I like the feature. I gotta think of a way to, because I don't want to remove it completely, but there needs to be a way I can make it so that your thing can't get too large. Since these are nodes, these are rich text label nodes that let you do these effects. So maybe what I need to do is have it so that there's a maximum size for each rich text label that cannot exceed like 200. And if it does, then it clamps it and you're fucked. That way you can do whatever the hell you want, but it's still, it doesn't break stream. I guess if you go beyond max size equals max. Oh, CG, thank you for the 101 sized font. Wow, how generous of you to only break my promise just a tiny bit. Oh, wait, can I try one more thing? I don't know, pawn, X pawn. Okay, go on. Could he disable it unless it's used via Twitch points or something? That was the original intent, CG, but who am I to stifle the fun of Twitch chat? Font size negative? Oh, shit. I guess it just generates a normal font. Yeah. Thankfully, Godot is already kind of idiot-proof, so this system is already set up to handle any weird cases. Okay. Okay. Back to this. If I want to reload the settings, I think what I need to do is well, first of all, let's do the connection thing. Let's do the connection thing before stream bakes again. Plugin. Okay, plugin. Okay. Godot API. Impl. Oh god, oh my god, I'm typing. I'm so panicked right now. I don't know why. Impl. Signal. Function on extension reload. This. Okay, I guess I don't need that. On extension reload. Is that fine? What's wrong with this? Wait, what? Duplicate definitions with name registration storage. What the hell does that mean? What? Okay, I guess I can't use two of these. Let's bring it down here then. Mario Strikers. Oh, is that what this is? I just have like a big playlist of fucking Nintendo songs. Oh, so it is. Mario Strikers Charged. Pause menu. Dude, this is some Spider-Man meme. I see you on Moonstream. This is some... Wait, what? What do you mean you see me on Moonstream? What? You mean you see me chat on Moonstream, right? Right, Izera? Izera, what do you mean by that statement? Izera? I'm little. Your little character. What the fuck does that mean? Oh, yeah. I mean, I like, yeah, didn't you come, I feel like one of us had to come, or you had to, I don't know. Oh, I love your attempt to add hearts, but thankfully all I have to do is just add a heart emoji. Oh, don't worry, Shadow, we're gonna raid Moon at the end of stream, so you'll meet Moon. It's all good. It's all good. Anyway, back to the grind, back to the lab. On extension reload. This is a okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm adding a signal from my Rust code. That whoa! Oh, I love that. Oh, CG, that's beautiful. There is a rainbow effect too, if you just want to use that. Isn't it like rainbow? Yeah, here it is. You can just do rainbow. See, there's a lot of cool BB effects. Like, just do rainbow, and then you have, these are the parameters, but gay hello. Gello. Gaylo. Don't hit me with the gaylo. Okay, reload. I feel I have to disable some of them. Like, I think what I should do is I want to save rainbow and a couple of these for when you do like a bits donate or something. But I think the rest of them are fine. Maybe the answer is to just give them official support, right? Like, have my own system for parsing chat. That's a bit easier than using BB codes. And then chat can, like, do, like, like an RPG maker kind of thing where you do, like, backslash, squiggly bracket, backslash squiggly bracket, and it makes your text bigger from this point forward. Something like that. Maybe. Where's my Godot, by the way? Did it not reload? Did it crash? Godot? Oh, fuck, did it crash? Is it unopenable right now? Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Come on. We're fine. Okay, cool. Ooh, all right. So this should now have a signal. On extension reloaded. Gaylo! Does that work? I can barely see it. Oh yeah, it does. Look at it go. See? Beautiful. This is all proof that Godot is the best game engine in the world. Everyone should use Godot. Fuck every other game engine. This is the best one. Thank you and good night. And so I can connect to this. So I can connect... What? Like, reload plugin? Or I guess I'll do reload add-on. And then that'll be a function here. Func. Reload add-on. Okay. Print reloading. Alright, whoever said I wouldn't be able to do this, watch me do this. Watch this work. We do this. Okay, now I can... Well, first of all, it's... I don't... Will this work? I think I have to reload... No, I have to go to project settings and re-add that. And, wait, what? Invalid call non-existent function queue free. What do you mean non-existent function? It's an object. I guess I just have to free. Okay. That doesn't make sense. Because... Ooh! Wait! Okay, Pawn, now we're playing dangerous games. Now we're playing dangerous games. Did it work? I can't see. Okay, no, nothing appeared. Oh, okay. I think the image only works for local files. So I don't think your images are gonna really be functional. So I'm not too concerned about that. Though I guess there is the possibility you can then... There is the possibility you could scrape through my computer using image tags and find images that way. Is that possible? Oh. Maybe I need to disable this. Okay. If I see one image tag that tries that shit, I'm gonna shut the whole thing down. I have to shut the whole thing down. There are things on my computer no one should see. What am I even testing right now? Oh, the reload. Okay. Save. Come back. Oh, it's just gonna whole crash. It's just gonna completely crash. Okay, that's what happened last time. It just crashes when they do this. What is with this MLP stuff? Wait, you don't like horses? I love horses. They go neigh, and then they eat hay. I think that's why they say neigh, because they eat hay. Maybe it needs the settings parameter. Like width and height? MLP, where I have ad? I love MLP. Damn, these freaking advertisers not even advertising to the right people. The hell is this? Okay, so I guess this doesn't work. Which is ridiculous. There's no reason why this shouldn't work. Like what the hell? I haven't even triggered it yet. So why is it that it wouldn't work? Just because there's some connection in existence with the plugin means that this can't function the way I want it to? Okay. So, okay, I guess Pawn was right. Pawn was completely right. Is Pawn still in ads? Oh no, the ads are long gone. Pawn was right. Reloading from this is going to be impossible. Well, not quite. Because I could set an... No, because the data isn't consistently saved. We back from ads. Thank you, Shadow. Bronies are great programmers. We're in a Luna game? I don't. But I'll take your word on it, CG. Maybe I need to become a Brony to become the ultimate powerhouse in programming history. I'm already pretty close. I just need that last little bit. Alright. First of all, I need to blow my nose, which is kind of gross. I'm gonna turn off my camera for a second. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Do that again. Oh, okay. Sorry, usually I mute for that, but whatever. Whew. You need a doctor. God, I could go for a Dr. Thunder right now. I need a drink though, in general. 2 hours 40 minutes. Okay. Dr. Thunder, then you'd be unstoppable. All right, we'll try it next stream. We'll get a little tasty taste of the Dr. Thunder. Oh my god. So what do? I can't use signals. I can't communicate in any way. This object is completely non-existent in the editor upon a reload, which makes sense. You're streaming. Moonwood, aren't you streaming? What do you mean I'm streaming? What? Go back to your stream right now. No, what do you mean I'm streaming? What? Oh! Get off my stream! Go away! Go away! Go! No. You got chickens to coop and whatever. You got things to do. This is not the time for your shenanigans. Go away. Listen, okay. Maybe my stream schedule kind of conflicts a little at the start of your stream, and that's why I've been kind of taking some first and just dipping for an hour or two. But don't worry about that. Oh my god. Oh, thank you for the follow. I'm seeing the follow through Moonstream into here. What's up, Cameron? How's it go? Wait, what's happening? Wait, who is this? Wait, who caused? Wait. Oh my god, my stream interface is so fucked. I'm sorry, I can't cuss on Moonstream. You didn't hear that. I'm sorry. Oh, it's so over. Oh my god. Oh no! No, how many viewers does Moon have? This is embarrassing. Why is the intro not working? What? Why is it not working? Wait, who is this? Who did this? Why is it broken? This is the worst time people are gonna see my cool intro. And now it's completely busted. This is so sad. Oh my god. How could this happen to me? Wait. We can do some quick fixes. Okay, we're gonna go in here. Remote. This is all Rust code. I can't even edit it. Oh, and there's like 2 people in the queue? Oh no! We gotta restart. Well, are you happy with yourself, Moon? Is this what you wanted? Is this the outcome you desired in your life? I see you pointing at screen. Okay. I hate it here. Oh my god. Okay. The intro should work now. Oh my god, the image thing works. Oh fuck. Pond, don't start anything. Oh, of course, now my join animations are all beautiful and working and all great. I'll be back later. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. See, there you go. There it works. It's great. No, it's fine. Why don't you stay? Why don't we all just hang out and watch me do nothing? Because it's been almost 3 hours and nothing is working. Nothing is working. I hate it. We are live. Who was that joined that broke stuff? I need to find your name. Was it Juji? Juji, was it you? I think it was. But why would you crash? Could it be because you're like a very early joiner to the Goobler's save system, that you have some incompatible data that broke things? Maybe? Oh my god. I don't remember. Sir, Moonwood has funny voice modulator for points redemption. Why don't we have that? Because I'm lazy. I'm lazy. CG, you have to remind me every stream for me to do something, and it will get done. You just have to remind me every single stream, and it will eventually just write down your dreams on a notepad. All right, let me catch up on chat. What were people saying? Cotton 4K lacking sup camera and yet all right. Stream snipe. There's some weird stream monopoly shenanigans going on. Guys, we're all gonna meet Moon in like an hour when I hit my 4-hour quota for stream. Go ahead, I need to try something. Pawn. This is scary, by the way. The fact that you just access any image on my computer, that's like really fucked up. I don't know how I feel about that. This is what happens when you stream on Moon Man stream. Loki, this is my only free time. This is the only time that makes sense for me to stream. How did we break it? I didn't break it this time. And we're back. Yes, test. Okay. Everyone is alive again. We live. Not any image. Just that which was just in game. I don't think so. I think you can do like backslash or like ... and that would probably work. There's a chance it would work. So I really think it is any image. I should shut up. I need to shut the fuck up. I need to shut up before I say anything. I just need to be quiet. Oh, this is all chaos. I hate it here. It's okay. It's all just clip farms. It's all we're gonna make big money on YouTube with these one day. Eventually, when I start posting shorts. That was just in the game. I can go to the user file. You can. I'm trying to think if there's any obvious user files you could pull up right now that would be not good. I don't think so. I am scared though. Okay, I trust you, Pawn. I trust you. I trust you. Look at ooh. Well, I don't know. Ooh. Anyway. Okay. Yeah, right? Well, I have ideas, but I can't say the ideas because it's dangerous, so I'm not going to say the ideas. No, it's fine. It's great. It's wonderful. It's delightful. Okay, gamers. I'm tired. Why is everything so hard? Why is everything so... Say it, sir. We'll be good. No. Everything's okay. Everything's good. I'll do some testing of myself off stream. And maybe if you peek in on chat at the right moment, you might see what's up. But you'll just have to keep an eye on chat all day, 24/7. We'll behave Scout's honor. No. It's well. If I can trust you, that means you can trust me to trust you. And no, I don't have to prove my trust to you. You can just trust that I trust you without me having to prove that I trust you. You know what I'm saying? That's right. Fairly probably can't get out the user folder for Godot or the res folder. I've done it in the past. Just no idea what you're saying. Hey, Just Jane. How's it going? Hope you're having a lovely day. I've made no progress on anything. I don't know how anyone does any fucking game dev on Twitch. How the fuck does Moon Man, like, develop exclusively on stream? How the hell is that even possible? Well, probably number one is the fact that they're not doing bullshit like this, like trying to load plugins from Rust code into Godot, and there's this whole hidden interface of bullshittery that I just can never figure out because I didn't design the system. I just need to... if I just said stop, let's just reload the add-on manually, or even better, get the add-on reloader add-on that I keep saying exists. I'm gonna do it right now. Asset lib, go online. Okay, that's kind of scary, but all right. What is it called? Add-on reloader, something like that. I guess I gotta Google it. Add-on reloader Godot. Plugin reloader quickly reloads plugins. Okay, last done 2015. Okay. They're called add-ons, but all right. Plugin reloader. Oh, there's like a ton of them. This one has an icon, so I'm choosing this one. Download. I appreciate that there's none of this any bullshit outside of my asset root that's being installed. Install all that. What? It says success. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the jump scare. Neither do we. My Wi-Fi went out. I wonder if it crashes the stream if one gigantifies an emote. No. Gigantifying emote actually is supported. It just prints a big emote. So since you can't make the emotes big with the BB codes, it's actually the only way you could make a big emote. So thankfully, yeah, see, oh my god, thank fucking god it works. I was about to say, if some poor sap donates some bits to test this and it doesn't work, I'm gonna cry. Thank you, Jane. Thank you. See, there we go. My things work. Everything is beautiful. Oh my, I don't know. Okay. I appreciate the thighs, Jane. Can we get thighs in chat? Did this add-on even install? Okay, there we go. Okay. What the hell is this? Oh, it reloads all the plugins at once. That's kind of extra, and I don't really want that, to be honest. But thank you, OCPR. I'm gonna delete you now and install a different one. Oh my god. This is a good stream. I'm glad I almost didn't stream today. Can you believe it? Instant plugin reloader. Can I see a description on you? Oh, what is this? What even is that? What does that mean? This is blocks. And you're coding it. Download. Install. Okay. And then we're gonna just add that. And then what does that do? Can I reload? What is it gonna do? I could have sworn there's a plugin reloader that adds a UI up here. So where is this plugin reloader adding something? Reloader doc? What is this? God damn, this music is going so hard right now. What the heck is Baby Kissing Godot? Oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. It hadn't even occurred to me that I have yet to explain Bevy Kissing Godot. It hadn't even occurred to me. Okay. Izera. Bevy Kissing Godot is my yaoi game framework that combines the personifications of Godot Husbando and Bevy Husbando together into one Rust library that allows you to use Bevy components in Godot. So, for example, as you can see, it's my plugin by some random dev. So here's an example of code that uses it. We go to game source world. Here it is. Okay, I wrote this on stream. Runtime collision generation is a Bevy component that has an ECS callback that runs on an observer that checks whether when this component is added to a node, it will then query the mesh instances 3Ds from Godot and find the one that has the runtime collision generation put on it, and then generate collision for it, which is what lets us do this, where I can add collision to this without having to regenerate it in the editor. So as you can see over here, there's an inspector plugin that lets me add Bevy components. Here are all the Bevy components I have so far. Not a lot, because this is kind of a brand new project. I haven't coded in it a lot, but in the future, the game that we're working on is going to use a lot of Bevy, and so you're gonna have to familiarize yourself with Bevy Kissing Godot. And so that is what this is. Go. You can read more on, I think it's somerandev.github.io/Bevy Kissing Godot. I wonder, is that up? somerandev.github.io/Bevy-kissing-Godot. Oh, no, it isn't. Okay, well, I guess you'll never know. You'll never find more information. Don't send me a skull emoji, Shadow. It just is what it is. Actually, you just... I'm really wanting Bevy Kissing Godot to appear on Google's search results, but it's not... Not enough people have searched for it, so it doesn't appear. So I have to like go to my own GitHub and just do it that way, which is annoying. But I can't search up kissing on stream, or else bad things might happen. Oh, let's see. Here we go, repositories. This actually isn't my original idea, by the way. There's... Oh god, the dark mode looks so ugly. Oh, here's a book. Here's what I was talking about, the documentation. Oh, it's Bevy Kissing Godot / book. Okay, that's where you can read all the information. Okay. Alright, then... Yeah, and then this is based on Godot Bevy, which is a much more mature, yet less funny implementation of the similar idea. So that's Bevy Kissing Godot. Thank you. It like doesn't even occur to me. I'm just like flashing that on my screen at random points through the stream. Okay, wouldn't you like to know, Weather Boy? Okay, I like all your attempts to show some shit. Did any of them get through? Are there any icons? No, just a red Y that's wavy. All right, everyone. It's time. It's time for some. It's time for some real coding. Okay, I installed an add-on and it didn't do anything, and I'm kind of scared. Plugin reloader, where dock slot left you are. What the fuck does that mean? Dock slot, left side, upper right. Left side, upper right, so in here? History? What? What does that mean? Editor docs, plugin reloader. Oh, there it is. The plugin reloader, it's a dock. That's kind of convenient. So I can do this to reload it. That's cool, but it's not where I want it to be because I want to keep my scene open. I want it to be a thing over here. There was an add-on that literally did this before. Where is it? Okay, uninstall or deactivate, delete. There was a third plugin reloader. Let's go find it. Oh, let me look it up actually because this is going too slow. Godot plugin reloader. All right, I'm gonna call it add-on. Reload. I can't believe there's so many of these. I guess it's not that hard of a project. Plugin Reloader is the one I just did, I think. No, this is the one I'm looking for, where it has it on this top part right here. Okay, perfect. Plugin Reloader 1.0. Okay, wasn't this what I just downloaded, though? I could have sworn this is what I just downloaded. Plugin Reloader. Oh, that was instant Plugin Reloader, but this is just Plugin Reloader. And that one actually has pictures. Thank you. Ignore asset. No, okay. I don't want this examples folder. Can we get rid of it, please? Or are we just gonna add that? All right, we're just gonna have an examples folder for a bit. Does this work? Wait, what is happening here? What's going on? Oh, I like that message, Pawn. Wait, now Moon's icon is on here, lol. Moon is everywhere. What the fuck does that mean? What does that mean? Where is Moon's icon? I cannot see stream that easily. Moon is everywhere. What do you mean, Moon's icon? I am confusion. Let's add plugin reloader. Oh, there we go. It's exactly what I wanted. And then where's the examples thing this asshole installed into my project? There we go. Moon really is everywhere. Are we Moon, or is Moon is us? Have you thought about that? Think about that and inscribe that deep into your brain. I mean, oh, yeah. Yeah. Did Moonwood drop a goober in here before I reset? I don't know. Oh, yeah, there it is. Moonwood Games. Oh, okay. Finally. Okay, so everyone, I'd like to introduce you. Okay, get rid of all this. Discard. Open this. Close. After everything I went through, all I had to do was what the hell is this? This isn't my plugin. Add-ons. This one. Bevy Kissing. What is Bevy Kissing? Isaiah, what's really fun is I need to get an artist to draw like a sloppy, like that meme picture of the two people kissing with like the big lips interlocked. I want that with Bevy and Godot edited onto it. And I want to make that the logo for the framework. But I can't do it yet. I can't go too into marketing until I've tested this plugin. Or this and make it work. What did we learn today? Refresh plugins. Yeah. That's all I had to do. Now look. Now when I'm here, this works. And when I reload, sure, this will break, but all I have to do is like... Wait, what the fuck? Oh, we're just gonna crash? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Why make it gross? Make it a hot logo? Like a hyper-realistic two bi-shonen men just fucking making out? Alright. Izera, you make a compelling point. I will absolutely... You know, we go even further. We just put a whole bed. You know, the GitHub README is horizontal. So what it should be is two men lying on top of each other just making out on a bed. That's what'll fucking take up the most amount of... Like, optimize the use of the space in my README. And then it could say Bevy X Godot or Bevy Kissing Godot on the side of the bed as part of the logo. It'd be beautiful. It would work out so well. Beth, send me the references on Discord. Actually, maybe I should. Nope, it's too late now. It's too late now. I'll try and fucking link my library on Discord. They're like, sorry, this is an 18+ library. You can't show this. And I'll be like, damn. Oh, what are you up to now, Pawn? Is that doing anything? Okay, no, thank God. Because if I recall correctly, the Godot logo was designed by a set. You know, maybe it's good that I haven't done this yet. Maybe it's good that I haven't done this. I think I can get my boyfriend to do that. No. Let's all calm down a second. I don't know. This is getting weird. Ooh. I didn't read that. It'd be this way. I mean, it's not. I don't know. I'm not gonna touch that. I'm not gonna touch this topic anymore. This topic got really weird really fast. I need to open my project and fix this crash. Okay. My code was okay. Get rid of this. Get rid of all this. Let's go back to what it was before. : equals this dot new, and then. I don't know. What am I doing? I ever set this to ref counted? So, y'all, my plugin reloading shit didn't work because it so crashed. And the only way I know to not make it not crash is to go back to the completely original code we started the stream with, where it was a ref counted object. It's gonna complain. I'm gonna have to restart this. Oh, I was supposed to finish coding this example project tonight. I don't think it's happening now unless I'm up all night upon. I haven't done anything all stream. But dare I move this window down and see how long stream has gone on for? 3 hours and 2 minutes. All right. But let's be caught up before it became a problem. I don't think it'd be that much of a problem. I just think it wouldn't have been a problem until you brought that up, and now it's like, okay, now that I know, it's a little more iffy. Oh well. It is what it is. You say this before you committed a grave sin. Not that long. See, this is why it needs to be the meme, the jokey kiss meme thing. Because then it's like, you know, kissing isn't inherently inappropriate. Kissing is a wholesome thing. You can kiss, like, you know, like a random stranger. You know, you can, like, go to Europe and kiss people as a greeting. It's a platonic, wholesome gesture. And there's no sexuality attached to it at all. It's just gonna be, you know, the new logo is just a wholesome, like, kiss on the forehead between, like, a prince and I guess they both have to. There's nothing that's. it'll be like a Prince Bevy and then, like, you know, Godot-chan or whatever the fucking Godot-et? There's like a Godot, like, femme logo rendition out there somewhere that could be combined into, yeah, exactly, like a prince and the knight. A prince and his knight. Yeah, you're right. You know why am I making it heterosexual? You're so fucking right. There is nothing inappropriate about it being a gay princess and knight or a straight one. So, you know, the yaoi logo dream lives on. You're so fucking valid. You're so right. Your stream I mod for was over 20 last night. You need to beat that. Over 20 hours? Pawn, I'm sorry to tell you, I'm not beating that. I would die. I would fucking die on stream. Not even from exhaustion, just from the sheer anger of code not working for that long of a period of time. Thankfully, I think everything's gonna work now. I think everything is fully ready to work. So we go here, click on this, the pop-up on the side opens. It's all good. It closes, opens, closes, opens. Now we're gonna reload the GD extension, go back here. It doesn't close and open, but we reload the plugin, and now it opens a second one. Okay. That's not really what I wanted, but okay. And then if I reload this again and go back in here, this doesn't work, but if I reload the add-on, it adds a third one to the side. Okay, and then, okay. It closes and opens. So as it turns out, reloading the add-on does not fix the issue. Oh, we're about to have an ad. This is like the climactic jump to ads moment in the movie. Like boom, damn, the realization that everything is just fucked. Everything is just fucked. Everything is just so completely destroyed. I see the buttons are there. The buttons work. The buttons are definitely functional. What's funny is this still functions. That's kind of nice, I guess. But why does it keep adding things? Dude, why does this work, by the way? What the fuck? What? Twist? If I update the twist and then go to a different one, does the twist stay? I don't understand. I don't understand. Godot. This isn't even Godot's fault. This is Godot Rust's fault. Godot Rust, why do you play me like this? Okay, gamers. Okay. This ad break's gonna be 1:30 or something. In that time, I'm gonna fix all of this right now by converting everything into GD script. Why use Rust, by the way? Should I even answer that question, or are you just getting straight sent to ad jail? Yeah, we're gonna wait a bit. We're gonna wait. Oh my god. See, what's funny is I think all I have to do is port these 4 functions to Rust, to GD script, I mean, and this will just be fine, I think. I say famous fucking last words though, am I right? Just do it. Do it! Make your dreams come true! Yabby dabba doo! Yabba dabba doo! This isn't gonna work. I don't think this is gonna bypass anything. But we have to try. And that's the worst part. This is gonna take so much energy, but we have to try. We just have to. Okay, let's start with creating. So we're gonna create and destroy the chain plane gizmo. So let's start with that. Jesus, Rust code takes up so much space. Okay, def. No, it's not def, it's func. This. Oh, we don't have to pass that anymore. Void. And then destroy. Func this returns void pass. So we're gonna call destroy first. Then we're gonna do self chain plane gizmo equals plugin add. Okay, we have to create it first. Chain plane gizmo create. Oh, I can't do that yet. Couldn't you just pass all the code and GDFI it? Yeah. Well, okay. So to answer your question, CG, I don't know. Well, okay, I actually do have a justification for using Rust in this project. It's because this project is very heavily mesh-based. It's very math-heavy. You generate a lot of procedural meshes, and so I wanted to use a language that was fast and could handle a lot of math and procedural mesh generation. I think you're gonna go, all good, Izera. Thank you for stopping by. I'm glad you had a good time. I had a good time too. Rust and C++ communicate very. They do, and it's really nice. And the Godot Rust plugin, or like, I guess like framework, is so good at what it does. It is buttery smooth at achieving what I want it to do. It's just there's a couple, like little, what's the word? I was about to say twinks. It's not a couple twinks. It's a couple, issues. There's like a fuck. What's the word? Word for a couple issues. Similar to word. What? No, I don't literally mean. Oh. Is it hinks or I don't know. There's a couple issues, okay, with running the Rust code in the editor time code, and that's clearly what's causing the issues. Ciao, Izera. Nice to meet you too. Kinks, right? Kinks. Yeah, I think it's kinks. Is my define? Oh my god, it is kink. I just forgot that that's what that word could be used for. You are right, Marmalade. Thank you. There's a couple kinks with using it in the editor, and clearly one of those kinks is fucking trying to make other plugins install through Rust. There's something about when it reload. Oh my god. Okay. What was the issue again when I reloaded the add-on? Did it just crash? See, I don't understand why that even happens. Before I commit to this. Well, here's what I need to do. Number one, I need to initialize and destroy the Rust plugin in enter and exit tree. So, Rust plugin penis operator equals plugin new. And that's initialized. And then in exit tree, I free. And well, I don't need the free because it's a ref count. I just assign to null. And the ref count goes to 0. And then everything goes to shit because what's happening here? Oh, because this needs to be a global. Or it's not global, you know what I mean. Because you have to reload the add-on from the outside of the add-on, the weather has caught up to me. I must take my leave. Good luck with your coding journey, sir. Thank you, CG. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day or night or wherever you are. Watch. This is gonna work though. Watch this work. That reason for the crash is because I was reusing the object in the scope for the editor plugin, when I should properly delete, and reinitialize Rust plugin every single time. So now that I've done that, my fellow dear gamers, this side panel will toggle when I click on Mesh Instance 3D, and now when I go here and reload the GDScript plugin, and this breaks, if I reload this, it adds another still, somehow, some way, some fucking way. This makes sense because if it was able to retain the reference, then why would this break in the first place? Of course this wouldn't work. Because if no, Pawn, this isn't reloading the add-on outside. This is a different add-on I'm using. I'm currently using the Kenyoni plugin reloader add-on. So I need to start uploading your streams to your YouTube. I know. I actually have a YouTube for that. It's called youtube.com/@somerandevvods, I think. Is that? Oh, that isn't it. I think it might be some rand vods, actually. That I uploaded some streams, but I got lazy. Oh, here it is. Okay. Yeah. Some rand vods. I don't want to upload them to my main channel because when you get to a certain subscriber threshold, you kind of get precious with your uploads on your channel to a point where you never upload ever again and you're filled with anxiety about ever doing anything on it ever again. But I do have a VODs channel that apparently has 2 subscribers. So I'm going to try and start uploading VODs here. Once again, you're going to have to hold me accountable to doing this. I definitely want to upload this VOD, so I'm going to do it. The thing is, I started making thumbnails preemptively. That way I don't have to worry about making a thumbnail for the VOD later and being too lazy about it. So I just have a folder filled with, like, VODs and thumbnails ready to go. I haven't done it yet. The other solution is I just start streaming on my second channel on YouTube. And that way, I don't even have to re-upload them. I just have it on the YouTube channel forever. Either way, I have the Twitch Amazon thing where my VODs will stay on my channel for 90 days on Twitch, so do not fret. You have 3 months to watch this VOD over and over and over again. But yeah. Okay. All right. No more than 12 hours. Real? No. The 12 hours is for what you call it. The 12 hours is for clips, I think, or like saved clips. You can, yeah, for the recordings, but the VODs will still stay up for 90 days regardless of their length. And I know this because I've definitely tested it, because I remember I had my first VOD up for 3 fucking months, and I thought to myself, damn, my Twitch channel is looking beautiful. I got like 30 VODs up, it's filled with content, what a beautiful space. And then I took a hiatus for like half a year, and it all went away. And it was all gone in an instant. Just like that. Snap, Thanos. So, we will not make the same mistake again. We will persevere. Yeah, that got added at some point. Yeah. Okay. I can't believe this happened again. I spent the whole stream on a Rust thing. On a Rust bullshit shit show. What do I do? And why did I think this was fixed? Why did I ever think this was fixed? That's the crazy part, you know? What is this doing? I just need references for everything in a GDScript object. That way they don't get obliterated. Wait! Wait. If I export storage, does that retain them? Wait. Wait a darn second. What is this? var properties require the var trade. Export ones require export trade. Okay, so I want var storage? Wait. Is the issue that I'm not storing these references, and that's what I need to do to keep them throughout the reload? I swear, dude, this is like undocumented bullshit. This, oh my god. Godot, Rust, var storage. Yeah, okay, fine. AI, what? var, I already know about var. That's not gonna help me. Properties. Var. Registering variables. Var do not need to be pub. Var, but what's the option to make it storage? Okay, well, let's look for storage. It's not on here. How about in the search bar? Storage. Registering property. GD reference for properties. Nope. I don't know. Let's go to the code and see what it looks like. So var's in here. Let's go in here. Storage mentioned. I have export storage, which is what I was doing. But apparently I can't export on a ref counted. But I do want a storage on a ref counted. What if I just do var? If I just annotate it as var, will it stay that way? var, and then in here, let's also annotate the inspector with var, so I keep that reference. Oh my god, this is totally what it's gonna be. Oh my god, this is totally gonna be the solution. Wouldn't that be crazy if this is the solution? Wouldn't that be flippin' insane? Wouldn't that be insane? The 3 lines of code is all it took to fix everything. Okay, so that opens and closes it. Okay. Save, reload. Okay, everything's still broken. Wait, but if I do this. Okay, everything's still broken. Okay. But what if I did this, which is what I was doing before? The global penis shenanigans. For the record, when I say that, I'm talking about this operator right here with the balls in the shaft, which is officially known as the penis operator, which assigns and automatically types a variable. In case that wasn't clear, I know some people just don't question what I do sometimes, but there's a logic to my madness every time. So this will let us keep this variable alive through the reloads. So let's go ahead and reload that. I prefer static typing, but penis is sometimes faster. I agree. Well, it's like, what am I going to do here? I'm going to type this, colon the type equals the type new. It goes off the screen. That's horrible. I don't want to repeat the whole type twice in the single line. But here's what it should be, Pawn. It should just be that if I do this, it just types Rust plugin automatically. The fact that it doesn't do that is like my biggest gripe with GDScript, and I hate it so much. No, I would rather have it typed. I don't know if this even needs to recompile. I don't know anything. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. I'm going to reload just to be safe. Is that the end of my songs? What happened? Everything's gone. Okay, there it is. Okay. Okay. Level 1, 3D. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Beautiful. Wonderful. Simple. Now, if I reload the GD extension, it no longer closes. If I do this, it no longer closes. If I reload the plugin, it adds a second one. Nothing has changed. Just fill your playlist with KK Slider. I don't know Animal Crossing songs, so you have to remind me which one the KK Slider is one, and I'll duplicate it just for you. I might add a third one. I'll just call it like A.mp3 and Z.mp3, so the playlist always starts and ends with it. Yee. I know what cake. Okay, I'm sorry. I feigned too much ignorance in that moment due to my despair and sadness from this not. Why does this not work? How does it not work? I don't understand. How? Okay, you know, I have to pull up Discord because I saw the code to store this in storage for this thing. I mean, isn't this? Wait. Well. So this, hold on. I'm sorry, you guys have to hear some dead air for a second as I go onto here and I find the code that I'm looking for. I saw this in the Rust Godot Discord. Where is it? I'm just gonna type in storage and see if someone brings it up. Storage, nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, it's not in here. All right, and no. Okay, so you are correct, Pawn. That is how you do it for export, but I can't use export on a ref counted. Now, what I could do is export storage. I could just export. I could just make this a node and export it. Is this a node? Is Editor Gizmo 3D plugin a node extended? It's a resource. But you can export from resources, so I could totally do export storage here too. And that would work. Okay. You're right, let's just do export storage here and make this a node again. Because why not? Why not? Tell me, gamers, why not? That's right, you can't tell me. Why is this red underlined? I don't care about you. Are you gonna stop my crash? Are you gonna... Oh my god, you will stop my shit. What? Why is it stopping my crap? Oh. The plugin? Wait, what? This can't... What is this? What kind of magic type is this that can't be exported, B? Editor Inspector plugin. This is a ref counted. Oh my god, of course. So the issue is, Pawn, is that I can't export this type to store... No, not this type. I can't export this? The inspector plugin? Yeah, it's a ref counted. Why is it a ref counted? Who decided to make this a ref counted? So what do? Do I make it a var? But I tried that and it didn't work. It just didn't... Okay, what if I do... what if I do var and click on it? And then I look through all the docs up here. I mean, I tried this. I typed in storage, and this is all I found for export storage. Can I do var like that? It's not fair. It's not fair. It's just not fair. I don't know. I can't even retain a reference to the plugin. I can. I can with the parent-child system. So, okay, here's a theory. Here's a theory, Pawn. So in order to keep a reference to the original plugin from Rust, I make this a node. As a node, whenever I need to run anything at all, whenever I reload, I can call upon the parent, which will give me access to the plugin which will have references to all these important objects I need to keep references to. What do you think of that? You think that'll work? Or do you think this is all hopeless? And I should just eat my own asshole? I'm so sad. I think this is gonna work. Thank you. I'm glad you think so. Is this, the reason this could be failing is just because this is a ref counted? The latter. Oh, see, now we're at a tie. We're at a crossroads of who knows what I should do. Do I fix this or do I eat my own asshole? Look, if this doesn't work, how about I fucking bend over, break myself in half, and do it live on TV cam on my stream interface? How's that sound? That's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna break myself in half if this doesn't work anyway. But this has to be what it is. Because this is becoming, I'm sorry, Pawn. Thank you for your support and suggestions and lovely presence as I freak the fuck out. I hate it. Please don't. Okay, I won't. Because you requested it with one bit, Pawn, I will no longer do that. You have saved us all from a fate worse than death. Okay. I need to shout out Just Jane, by the way, for donating bits. I feel like, oh man, I feel like I need to shout out all of y'all. Phew, that was close. Okay. You're well, yeah. You saved us all. If only I could truly be saved from this. I mean, I know what the answer is. We all know what the answer is. Rewrite it all in GD script. Just rewrite all these important pieces in GD script, and we can all be saved from this hell. We will no longer be affected. Yeah. You know what would fix this? If there was just a way to get a list of all of the Gizmo plugins. But that's not possible. Can you believe that? There's a way to add Gizmo plugins, there's a way to remove Gizmo plugins, but you can't just see a list of all the Gizmo plugins. What's up with that? Why can't I do that, Godot? Why not? This is a perfectly reasonable situation. Not really. They don't expect you to be using Rust and have some issues like this. This is a perfectly reasonable situation, though, for me to be doing this. And for me to need that feature. Do 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 do. All right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Look, here, you know what? Pawn, Shadow. Let's start by just testing to see if this works. Just see if this fucking works. Because I just need to know. I just need to know if this is even going to do anything. If this has any effect on anything in the world. If what's happening right now is in any way my fault, and I could fix it. I need to know that right now. So let's try it. It is ridiculous that ref counted can't be exported as var, though. What is up with that? That's so wacky. Import. This is a node right now. I guess I have to make it a node to make so I can use export storage. Not that that even matters, because var doesn't work. Why do you need a list of Gizmo plugins? Because I lose the reference to the Gizmo plugin whenever the GD extension reloads. So if I could see when this is when I rerun code and see that this is not assigned, I could use the Godot API to see a list of Gizmo plugins to re-find this Gizmo plugin in my Godot registry and reassign the pointer to it and get it back. That's all I want. That's all I need. That's all I want. That's all I need. Is this a song that exists? I don't know. Not on get, on notification. I've already done this like twice, but okay. Node, notification. What? Okay, well, first of all, get rid of all this. No notification. Extension reloaded. Like the Matrix. I think someone already made that reference like 20 times. But extension reloaded. Then what? What? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do to get through? I scream. But also, I do Godot print. We're going to do some Godot prints with the exclamation point because we're screaming. And we're going to do self-inspector plugin. Inspector plugin. I hardly know her plugin. And then we do this. What's wrong here? Oh, I need Godot API. Fair enough. Okay. Recompile. Everything goes good. Nothing goes evil. We're all tasty and sweet and wonderful. Clear that. It's not declared in the current scope. Oh my, it will be in a sec. It's a node, so I have to re-add it. But besides that, we should be... Actually, do I really even need to add it? I don't think so. I think it's fine. Okay. We'll add it anyway. No, well... I mean, it's not like anything else works right now, so... Do that. Add child Rust plugin. And then... Hello there! Emmy Lexi. Hey, this looks really interesting. Hey, thank you! This is my custom Twitch interface. I'm currently writing... unrelated to the Twitch interface, I'm currently using Godot to write custom level building tools to generate complex platforms like this. I know, Pawn. It's like, is that a bot? Is that a real person? Emmy, can you say something to indicate that you are a real human being? Because, I don't know. Pawn's kind of sussed on you. You're perfectly grammared. Hey, like very vague. Hey, this looks really interesting. It's kind of sus. Like you know when you had like Skype back in the day, the bots would always start out with like, "Hey, do I know you?" Or like, "Hey, how's it going?" Emmy, say something. And the bots start out this way. This is a first for me, Pawn. I've seen bots that just go straight for the kill with the links, but I've never seen a bot that like spends its time and says, "Hey, this looks really interesting" right from the start. Because that requires engagement and conversation. And what's the guarantee the streamer is going to engage with the bot in the first place? Maybe it's waiting for a reply in chat? We can reply in chat. Hi. Okay. There. Now we play the waiting game. Okay. Alright. Thank you, Emmy. It be this way. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and, ban you. Goodbye, Emmy. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay, we gotta test this thing. They didn't say. They did not. No, they did not. That's what I should have said. That's a weird way to pronounce potato. What I don't get is why they said their name was Emmy, or they said their name was Naomi, but their username was Emmy. What the fuck is up with that? It's like clickbait. Anywho. I guess their message is sitting there until... Upon, you have to write some more messages to get their message off the Twitch interface. I can't believe I introduced my level thing and everything. Okay. I see. You have the experience that I lack. Click. Okay, wait. Add child, Rust, enter tree, and then we do exit, remove child, Rust plugin. This should have Q free. Yes. Rust plugin equals null. Okay. Pawn was here. Oh, thank you. That's actually a good way to do that. Thank you so much. I wasn't even thinking about that. Maybe that should be like a subscriber benefit. Like you get what's the word? Unrestricted access to BP codes in chat. That could work. Gotta get your BBC. I already regret saying that. Don't look at me like this, Shadow. Don't judge me. I am slowly breaking down. Okay, the panel of all my things appears. British Broadcasting Corporation. Yes, Marmalade. You got it. You got it. And now if we reload the extension. Oh. Nodes can only export from node-derived class, but current class is chain plain gizmo plugin. What? Oh, because of this. Wait, what? Attempting to unregister existing extension class chain plain gizmo. What? What the fuck does this mean? Export for GD editor expector. Nodes can only be exported in node-derived class, but current class is chain plain gizmo plugin. So it's this, but editor node 3D gizmo plugin is a node? I thought I looked that up. See? It's a resource. Okay. So that's not correct. But I thought you could still export resources. Right? It's Ogre Watch time. Is it Ogre Watch time? God, I wish I could join you for some Ogre Watch time. What time is it? Oh, it's because I started late. Usually I'm done at this time, but I started late, so I'm ending late. Maybe I should just call it here. It's a ref count. No, it isn't. Editor node 3D gizmo plugin is a resource right here. It's a resource. But okay, so you can't export a ref count, but you can export a resource. So it's weird that I can't. Node can only be exported in node-derived class. The current classes. Oh, it's because I'm exporting a node in a resource. So this needs to be var. I'm dumb. Let's try that again. Let's try that one more time there, partner. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna call it for stream. Cause I'm scared and tired and thirsty and exhausted and alone. Watch it work though. That's gonna be so fucking funny. Okay. Here, you're popping in and out. I do this. I come back. I do all this. Nothing's happening. If I reload this, it just adds another. 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 Pawn, did you know it just adds another? I didn't know it just adds another. Where are these prints even coming from? Who knows? Who knows? See, the issue is, everything has to be done in GD script for this to work. Because if this doesn't work, nothing will. It's so sad. It's so sad. At this rate, just modify the C++. No, at this rate, just modify the GD script. That's the answer. Wow. It is so funny I didn't get anything done. Welp, my dear lovely gamers, I'm going to call it that it for stream. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Pun, for the donations. Thank you, Just Jane. I'm going to shout out Just Jane because they're a streamer I like. And they jumped in at help test things. Good stuff. And of course, thank you, Shadow, for the 100. I will get a hot dog, and it will be delicious and meaty. Oh, fuck. Thank you for another 100. I'm sorry it won't break stream like you want it to. But, I appreciate your contribution, nevertheless. Alas, do I feel anything in my broken, dead heart after spending almost 4 hours? Just need that first. Oh, shit, yeah. Fuck yeah, get that shit. Who the hell is KBPWNZU? Who was that? Thank you to KBPWNZU for 10 bits. That was pretty hype. You never chatted once, but I mean, I will never forget you and your contributions to my brain and my other personhoods. Anyway, raid channel, same category, following. Surely Moon appears. All right, there we go. Start raid. Okay, cool. All right, everyone. See you later. Goodbye. Yeah, thumbs up.